That is
sir.
the thing. Because simply going to internship, I don't think so. Like, I that will be much more useful. Also, you will not get good platform. Like if you are getting in ISC or some companies or IITs internship, obviously they will look for some courses you might have done, so that will be they need not to teach at that time. Na? You already knowing something, and they will give you or some work or some project to work on that part of the work. No, so that
Yes,
is
sir.
I think.
And
Just a minute,
is
give me a second.
okay, sir.
Yeah, so I can see only 30 participants. I think now it's a 6 o'clock. Okay. I wait for so today's Soul with Instructor session. You guys know,
Sir, so it will be a solve with us, or we are going to discuss doubts.
No, no, no. So this is today's Soul with Instructor session. So we had on Thursday doubt session, that open session. So today we have a Soul with Instructor session.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow we will have that on-demand session, which will be on Gmeet, and link is shared with you through Telegram. Already shared. So just go and check if you have any doubt on tomorrow. You can ask directly.
Sure, sir.
Sir, although this is not a doubt clearing session, there was this lecture video 5.6 in which we were looking at the sorted list insert.
Insertion sorting.
Yeah, and
It is
in
not.
that it was a slide on sorted list insert.
Uh-huh.
I think it's at about 11 minutes of
Yeah.
mark.
So what is
Uh,
this in that?
there, I don't know, in brackets, sorted list insert brackets, it was written sorted one list,
Uh,
comma Z. So
yes.
was that sorted one list by error, or it was some other variable
No,
that
that is
we.
not a error. So actually, that is the two sorted list insert is another procedure where you are have partially sorted list, and you are inserting a new integer which is z. So that is
Yes,
main code is that is written separately. So you are calling sorted list insert as a procedure. You are inserting a
yes.
new element and then bringing back to the origin my main pseudocode. So I will discuss that one after this session. If you have time, you can ask.
Actually, what I didn't understand was in brackets there was it was written sorted one list, and we had not specified any sorted one list, numerical one.
Okay, okay. I will. So if you want to get clear, you can ask after this session. No, I want to start
Okay,
this session.
thank you.
Okay, na? Okay, so I'm going to present so that just a minute. To, so my screen is visual, no?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so go to joinpd.com and enter this code UML YEV. What happened to others? Like only 47 students. So go to joinpd.com and enter this code UML YEV. So it's a 6 not 5. So I will wait for another 2 to 3 minutes to start this session. Okay.
Sir, will we get institute email ID from IITM?
So they are working currently. They will keep you in like 1 or 2 weeks. I mean,
Oh,
um,
okay.
I'm
So
not
whole
sure.
dashboard will shift from this email ID to that one, like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. So that is our like tense. No, we'll give it as much as possible. So we'll try to
Okay.
give as.
Our seniors were saying that they give us in the next like after the.
Sorry. Next term, you are saying means after
Yes,
completion.
yes, yes.
Maybe sometimes it delay happens, but mostly they now currently they are working on those who have registered or those who have not registered. They're just trying to verifying the data. So after that, I think they will start creating your email IDs. So don't worry about that. That is our headache. We'll do that one.
Sir, do you have any suggestion like where we could get more practice question related to uh, the week we are doing modules? Like I often feel like we get like less practice sets as the week progresses compared to qualifier.
Yeah. That I because we do not have so many practice assignments. So what we will do, will give you like week 5 and 6 together question set papers. I mean, previous terms, the quizzes questions will try to provide you once that week 5 and 6. So that will have 4, 5, and 6 uh, questions from that particular week. So we'll give you once we complete week 6. No, okay.
Sir,
Once we complete week 6, no, we'll provide you some extra questions. I mean, that
okay.
previous term
Sir,
question.
can I
And
ask?
sir, one more thing, sir, the in the Google Calendar, the events that has been scheduled,
Mm-hmm.
and there is a YouTube channel, no, IIT student, there is a YouTube channel, official YouTube channel, no,
YouTube ITM channel.
yeah, and there I see the videos of some GitHub, like out of the course, I think there. So when
Maybe
how
the
the
official. That one is official one.
yeah, official one.
So maybe that is for different Python or some other courses.
Oh, I'm not talking about that. Telling you that will those events be already or will those events be on the Google Calendar as well?
No. So that what is happening? No, like if any course which is related to that particular set of students, that
Hmm.
will be shared. The generic topics, if it is there, so that will be shared to all of you guys, all the students.
Like
In the
those
in the
GitHub
Google
session
Calendar.
was, yeah, no, those GitHub session was like vocational training for
Yeah.
like after term,
Yeah.
they started these vocational training. So when this term ended, so they will provide us some vocational training on GitHub or something, Flutter or something like this.
Okay.
You will
So
get a mail about this, so don't worry,
oh,
I guess.
mail. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you will be informed.
yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So should I start session? How many are there? Let me check. So 65 are there. I can see only 38 students, 38 only. So guys, please go to this joinpd.com and enter this code EUMLYEV. Then you will be able to answer your responses. Okay. So it will be good that if you join that and if you solve together. So please, I'm giving 1 minute. Please go and join this joinpd.com and I can see 65 participants.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, how much course content will be asked in quiz 2?
So keys two will be 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 5 to 8.
Because some people were saying that it will be covering from week 1 to week 8. I thought that would be
Yeah. So week 1 to 8. So if I'm asking list, obviously it's some particular concept iteration. So obviously that week 1 to 4 we have covered in this iteration or filtering these things. So obviously, but the mainly focus will be on 5 to 8. Is it? So if I'm asking some concept using iteration, so you at that time you will say that yeah, this is from week 1 or 2. You cannot ask in this case. So that is not fair. So that's why we generally say week 1 to 8, but the main focus will be on week 5 to 8. Okay.
And so one more thing. Now I have not taken admission. I've qualified for the foundational course, but today I will take the admission. So can I? There is a Python course, no, for foundational course only.
Mm.
So I will not be able to take the Python course from now, no? After
So
the
you're a
pre.
diploma student or a term student? I mean, regular student. I mean,
Okay, okay.
hello. Okay, so I'm going to start the session. Only 46 I can see out of 67 and 65 students. So you please join. No, go to joinpd.com and enter this code UMLYEV. Okay. I'm going to start. Okay. You can, again, see, can if you go to joinpd.com and if you enter the code UMLYEV, then you will be able to enter your responses. Okay. Only 48 students out of 68 students. Okay, guys. So should I start the session?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is your first question. I am giving you how much? 3 minutes to solve this. So you are supposed to find in this question what is the value of L. I mean list L at the end of execution of this pseudocode. So you are given this pseudocode and I'm asking what will be the value of L, and the options are here. Okay. Chalo.
Is this the fifth line A only for each B in A?
Yeah, it should be LA, I think. Sir,
No, it's
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
It's
tell
right.
me.
Sir, in the
What is
fourth
this?
line, for each
Fifth line,
B in
fifth
A,
line.
for each B in A,
Yeah, it's the correct one.
okay.
A only.
Yeah.
Oh.
Done, sir.
Sorry. Yeah, last 5 seconds. Do you guys want more time?
Yes, sir.
So, sir, 1 more minute.
Okay, so last 1 more minute. Last minute. I mean, giving. Okay, guys, last 10 seconds. I can see only 25 responses out of 55. And guys, those who have not joined, please go to joinpd.com and enter the code UMLYEV, which you can see at the right top corner of my screen. Okay, guys, so time up. Please enter your responses, guys. I can see only 32, 33 now. It's done now, guys. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, we did.
I can see C, D, B, C, D, A. All are there. B, C, D, D, D. Okay. What do you think, guys? It's the B.
So, excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, Sapna.
Sir, will you please share the code?
Yeah,
So
code
that-
is here, no? You can see. The left side, you can see, no? Code is there, no?
Okay.
Top left.
UML.
Oh, that one. Yeah. So UMLYEV. You can see at the right top corner.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
How many have done correct this one?
I did, sir, but I'm not that sure, so I didn't enter the answer.
Okay.
I just guessed and it
And
got,
can you
I got it correct.
can you explain the solution?
Blind
also?
guess.
Yeah, I will explain.
Explain, sir.
And I just got confused in first L and plus
Achha.
B.
Okay,
I took it.
first you solve the second one also. Enter the response for second LC. What will be the value of LC? Then I will explain the question number 1. So this is sub part B. Like first was the first one. So this was the one, and the second with the same iteration. You can see LC. So LC is here. So you enter this response for this one also. I'm giving you another 2 minutes is fine, or 1 minute is fine.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So, where to write this code?
Go to joinpd.com. So this is the
Okay.
joinpd.com and enter this code UMLYEV.
Okay, okay.
Okay. No? Are you joining first time?
No, sir, I just forget the website name, joinpd.com.
Okay. Guys, others, please enter the responses for this question. For second part of the question number 1. So I'm asking what is the value of LC, and LC you can see here. Okay. Okay, I can see only 12 responses. What's the time now? I didn't start my stopwatch. Okay. So I think 1 minute is already passed. Last 1 minute, guys. Time up, guys. I can see only 30 response out of 62 participants. So can you please enter your responses first?
We are unable to understand the pseudocode. That's why no response.
Sir, we need time to understand the code.
We don't want to enter any response just randomly. That's why no response.
So you guys have been to the content of week 5?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
but
that
it
is
is
more
very
difficult.
difficult to understand.
On Friday.
But still, it's taking time to understand the code.
Okay, so I can see the responses. Who are the C, D, B, A? Okay. Who has entered this one? C? How many? Hello? No one?
Yes, sir. I.
Ankaleshwar.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so
Only one expert in the batch.
okay, sorry. Yeah. So what is happening? I just then explain to you. Let me write first code. Yeah. So see what is happening here. So you have, what is that? L. L you have here. My font size is okay, or should I increase the font size?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now, if it is not, just let me know. Now it is fine.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes.
is, we have defined 0. LA. LA is what? What is that LA? What you will say? What about LA is what?
List of A.
List of
List of list of one.
List of
List of
A.
list.
List of 1 and list of 1, 2, list
1,
of
2.
1, 2,
List
3.
of
list
1,
of
2, 3.
list. Am I correct? List of
Yes.
list.
Yes.
List of list. Yeah.
Then next you are having, you have defined LV as a what? An
Empty list.
Empty
empty
list.
list
And
also.
C is also empty
as
list.
well as LC also. Now, so we are going to read the first iteration. What is that? For each A in LA. What is LA? This guy.
List 1.
List
LA,
A.
no?
List A.
Not A. Sorry.
List 1.
No. LA is different. L is different.
Sorry, sir. A.
List LA. So for each what it does, it reads the each and every element of list. No?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the first element of where
List of one.
List of 1.
List
reading?
which contain element 1.
So LA is this one, and you are reading the first element. So what is the value of, so first let me write first iteration.
List
So this
1.
is first iteration.
List of A. List of 1.
List
Okay.
one.
First iteration.
Yeah.
Or something. Okay. So what is the value of A?
List
1.
1.
List of 1.
List of
This is the one, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Then you are going inside you are doing, so this is for the first iteration for you are going this side, first iteration for this loop. Now we are going
Out.
inside for each B in A. So wherever
1.
this for each, so just a minute, please everyone mute. Okay, so I will ask, like, if I will give you time to understand, ask doubts. Okay, so don't worry about that. Sure. So see, now whenever, say for each, how it works, first you understand. So for each A in LA, so wherever this guy is there, no, this one always reads, it should be a list for each, wherever this is guy is there, this will be always a list, and this will be element of this guy. So here for each B, so B is will be element of which one? List A, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This
So
is what we struck actually.
Sorry?
Unable to understand this. This is
Now
we are
we-
unable to understand.
Now we understood now what I'm saying.
Yeah,
Correct?
we are able to understand.
Yes.
Yeah, so for each A,
Yes, sir, I got it.
yeah, for each A in LA, so this will be always a list. And this
List.
will be element of LA.
LA.
So A can be, and see, element of a list can be a list or element also, no? See,
Yes.
Yeah.
here this guy is there. This is also list, and this is also list. But the element of
Yes.
this guy is a an integer, whereas element of this list LA what
Also list.
still. So that's why we gave another name. What is that? List of list. Okay, chalo then. So now we have A is equal to 1, which is a list actually. Now we are reading B in A. So what is the B will be first element of?
One.
One.
So now what will be here? So B will be 1 here.
One.
One.
Correct? Now you are
Yes.
entering inside, and what we are doing? Huh? Anybody having doubt here?
No, sir.
No. Okay, so LV
Yes.
now you are at LV will be element.
One.
Hello, sir.
So
List.
B,
list
sir,
is
B
there, no?
is to list of
B you have
A,
to
list of
write
one.
in terms of list. B should be inside. Now B is an integer, so integer is inside a list. Then plus plus LV. LV
Which
is
is
what?
empty list.
Empty list. So this will be what?
One. List
One
of
only.
one.
One only. One.
Correct. And
Yeah.
here next
Sir,
is
how B is 1?
so this is an empty list. If you add anything to empty list, that will be same value. Like if you, same thing, like if you are adding 0 to 1, so if you want to understand in terms of some integer, something like 1 plus 0 will be what? Same thing.
1.
You can think like that. So you have added one element, one list to an empty list. The final value is that list only. No. Okay.
Sir, so B should be also list. B is equals to 1.
So B, that is, see, can you see B is here an element, but you have to make it a list. That's why we wrote in the bracket. Can you see that the square bracket is there? So that's why we wrote in the bracket. So to add a list, you should be have a same category. You cannot add so you cannot write here. Sorry, control Z. So you cannot write here like this. LV is equal to B plus plus what is that? LV.
LV.
Cannot write because B is an integer. So there is no any meaning of this one. 1 plus plus. Can you see this?
Empty list.
You cannot add a integer to a list. For adding that one, you have to make it first list.
List.
Understood? So that's why it's in the square bracket B. Kavita, you had doubt, no? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, so you have still doubt? Means, did you understand?
Sir, sir, I'm asking that how we get the value of B, like integer.
B here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So see, if you write for each A in LA, what do you mean by for each A in LA? So A will be the element of
Of
list LA.
list A. Yes,
LA
sir,
is
I
not,
got that.
L is not list here. LA is list
A.
here.
Yes, sir.
I wrote LA is doesn't mean that I'm writing list A. I'm writing LA is a list. List, see, list L is another here. LV is another list. LC is another list. Don't confuse that LC. Wherever you are writing a list, you should write L first and then another alphabet. No, it is LA is a list itself.
Okay,
Name of
sir.
the list is LA. So same thing it is. If you can see here, for each A in LA, so A will be element of LA. That
Yes,
is
sir.
what I wrote. So LA, what is the LA here? So LA is this one, and elements is what? So what you will do whenever you are going to the first time in this loop, you have to read the first element of list, no?
Yes, sir.
So the first element of LA is what? This one.
1.
This guy, no? This one. Can you see this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why I wrote B here. Sorry, no, here I wrote here for this one.
Okay.
And then you are going inside because once you are coming inside you need to read the next one. So B in A, so now you can see that what is A is what? A is list.
A list.
Will be the element of A. So element of A is what? First
Okay,
element.
okay, sir. I
So
got it
that's
now.
what I wrote. Chalo. Now you understood. Now I'm asking L. So L is what it is saying here. You have a square bracket first of L. sorry, only plus B, and this is a square bracket. So can you see that? What is the first of L? So you know,
0.
so L is what? This guy.
0.
So
0.
yeah, so this will be first of L will be 0
+1.
plus what is the value of
0 plus 1.
0 plus 1? So
1.
what it is actually 1.
1.
1. List of 1.
Yeah. So L is 1 also and LV is also here 1. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
Understood.
first of L means here.
So
First element
Yes,
of
sir.
L.
Okay.
first we have defined some function in this week 5, I think in tutorial 5.7. So
First element
Okay.
of
Okay.
list and
first element
rest
Sir,
will be ignored.
Sir, actually, I didn't
sir,
go
your
through
voice
this,
is
so
lagging, sir.
mine,
Yes, sir, your voice is not clear.
Sir,
mine.
your voice is lagging.
Yes, network issue.
What about
The
now?
good.
Clear, sir.
Everybody
The
is clear now?
tutorial
Yeah,
video
Yeah,
clear,
is
now
sir.
it's
very
clear.
good.
yes.
It's
Yeah.
explained very well.
Yeah, so go and watch the tutorial 5.7. I just tell
Okay.
you
Okay.
briefly.
Okay,
So
sir.
first of L will be first, wherever this list L is there, it will take the first element of list L. So what is the L here? L is this guy, and first element only one element is there. So first is only this one. So this will be 0, no? So
Yeah.
that's why I wrote 0. Okay. So
Yeah.
0 plus 1 will be 1. So that is there. Now we have
List
to
of
go
1.
to, so now we came here, now up to here we came. Now we have closed bracket. Before closing, before coming out of this loop, you have to read it again to check whether this another element is there or not. So what you have to do? Now we have to check another element. So for each B in A. So can you see after that any element
No.
is there? No.
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 No,
No,
only one
no.
element is there. So this
Yeah.
Yes,
this
sir.
for each loop will be terminated, and where it will come? LC.
LC.
LC, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
First iteration outer loop. Let me write outer for each loop. ठीक है?
For each A in LA means we have second element also, no? 1, 2.
Yeah. So, but
No,
I
actually,
am.
ma'am, we are talking about B in A.
Yeah. So I am
Okay,
talking
okay,
about
okay.
now this inner side one. This one.
Okay, you wrote first iteration, so outer
Yeah.
for each loop.
Let me write here also. Then it will become very long, but still I can write first. This is for inner.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Yeah, instead of first,
Yes.
we can write just iteration for inner loop.
Yeah, first iteration outer for each loop and first iteration inner for each loop. ठीक है? It is not clear. Should I write some different way?
No need, no need.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Clear, sir.
Chalo then. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Huh.
Why didn't they put B in the list? I mean, in brackets?
Which one? Here?
Yes, but in
No,
the previous one we put in the brackets, no?
Yeah, I want to do some different operation. I wanted to add the first of L and element B.
Actually, ma'am, here only integer plus integer can add.
Yes.
You
Not
can
an.
add and then put it in the brackets.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah. So see.
I thought my network.
Yeah, you are audible, Sapna.
You are audible.
Yeah.
So it should be kept in the brackets if it is integers. That's allowable.
No. So it depends on the element of the list. So see what it is happening here. So in here you can see LB is equal to, you wrote in a bracket B.
Yes.
So B was actually an element. So but if you wanted to add the LB is what we have defined or initialized, a list, empty list. So we have to make it list before adding to LB. So that's why we wrote in a square
That's
bracket.
normal syntax they're following.
Yeah, and this one plus. To add two elements, you need to use plus. Okay.
Yes.
But here, what we wanted to add just the element.
Yes.
Not the list.
Okay.
Sir, means
So that's
here
why I used the one plus bracket. Plus only single plus.
Okay. Yes. Because we are doing it in only. It's not in. L is also a list.
Yeah, L is also list. So we are making a list by adding the elements. Understood? That is what it is happening. First of L we have taken, so which is 0.
So we can also
B,
write like this.
Okay. Yeah. So B is what? Here. and we added here, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So L is becoming 1.
And these
And the
all
list,
should be inside the list.
Yes.
Sir,
yes.
sir,
Okay.
sir, at the
Okay, sir.
end, sir, at the end of the execution, L will be 3.
No, so I didn't reach to the end of execution. Give me time. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo. Okay. So till now nobody's had issue here, no? So what we
No.
have done in first
No,
iteration of inner for each loop, we had only one element. So we went first time inside, but after that, before coming out of this is the closing bracket of this for each loop, na? So we have to, before coming out of this one, we have to make it this condition false, no, for each. So
Yeah.
if you are going to check another element in A, so since A had only one element, can you see this one? Only one
Yes,
element,
sir.
so there is no any further element, so this iteration will be a stop. So here inner iteration a stop after first inner, sorry, should we, let me use this. So inner for each loop stopped here. Okay. So now you came here and LC, now we are going to make something changing to LC, and LC is what?
List of list 1.
Yeah, what you are going to do, you are okay. Yeah, so LC is what you are
Is
making?
List of 1.
list of
LV,
list 1
LV
plus empty list.
yeah, LV plus LC. So what
Empty.
do you mean by LV is what do you have?
One.
Got
List of 1.
One.
yeah,
List
so
of one.
you have, so this is becoming in bold. Okay, yeah, so this one you are writing for this bracket, this one. What about LV is what? This guy,
List
no?
of 1.
Yeah,
List of 1.
1 plus what is LC?
Empty
is what?
list.
Empty list.
Empty list.
LC, where is that? LC we have defined here, no? This guy.
Yeah.
Empty list.
Yeah.
So this will be an empty list,
Empty
and
list.
this will be what?
List
List of list. List of
one.
one.
List of list 1.
Yeah. Can you are you getting what I'm doing here?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
And LV, you had LV this much, you made it again empty. Okay? Earlier
Yes.
it was,
Okay.
after adding LV to LC, what you have done? You have made it LV again an empty list.
Empty list.
That you understood?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So this one you came here. Now we are going to read another element of LA, list LA. So now this guy will come into picture here in the second iteration.
Second.
Second iteration, okay?
Yeah.
So in second iteration, what is the value of A you are having?
List 1, 2.
List of
List
1, 2.
one, two.
What is the next element? So guys, what is the next
List
element
of
of
1
LA?
and list of 1, 2.
This will be the another element, na?
Yes,
Not
sir.
only
Yes,
one.
yes.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes, sir.
see, how many
Yes.
how many elements are here? Can you
Three.
anybody tell me?
Three.
Three
One,
elements. Three
two,
elements.
How many elements are here?
Three.
One.
One element. How
One.
many elements in LV name?
Empty, empty.
Zero elements.
Empty.
Yeah. So you should configure that next to a square bracket, which are the like separated by comma. So these are separated by comma.
Yeah.
These are the elements of square bracket. Okay. So here you have another element. What is that? 1, 2. This is your next
Yeah.
element A. Okay. Now what you are going to do? Guys, if you are
B
not,
in A.
yeah.
Please mute.
Yeah. So now what is going to, you are going to do again? So you are going to the first iteration of,
We again repeat the same process.
yes,
which you have done earlier.
Yes. Second.
No, sir, it would be first iteration of the
Sir, I got the
first
I
iteration.
understood the whole
Yeah.
pseudo
So
code,
this is just give me for one iteration, then I will summarize that one. So okay. Chalo.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. It would be the first iteration for the inner loop.
Huh, correct. Yeah. I was...
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. So this will be the first iteration of inner. So where this guy. So what is the value of B here? So now we are writing B
Excuse
in
me,
A.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, will this live session will be available for
Yes.
watching
Yes.
later?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. So chalo.
It's on the YouTube.
Yeah. Guys, chalo. So what is for each B in A? So what is the element of
1?
1,
A?
1 and 2.
Which are what is the value of A currently we are having? 1 and 2, no?
1 and 2. Yeah, 1
2.
and 2 is
So if
there.
we are going to read
We have 2
first time
elements
A,
actually.
B will be 1, no?
Yes.
Guys, any doubt in this?
No,
na?
sir.
No.
Now we are going inside and what we are doing? LV. LV is equal to B. This guy, this one I am going to write. Let me write itself. No? Yeah. So B is
Sir,
what?
as
1.
it is coming here.
Yeah.
So
Plus.
can you change the font color so that we can easily understand?
Oh.
Continuously, it's red.
Now it is fine.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. So B is equal to 1 now. We have
An
LV
empty
is equal
list.
to LV is equal to B plus LV. LV is what? We have made it
Empty
empty last
list.
time, no?
Empty now, yeah.
Empty list. As it is coming here.
It will be 1 here, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now we are going this for this guy, L. So L is equal to first of L.
1.
1.
Where is the first? Because L we have updated this guy, no? This one.
1.
L is 1, no? First of L.
Yes. Yes,
This
sir.
will be first of L will be 1 plus
1.
B. What is the value of B? 1, no?
Yes.
This will be
List of 2.
List of
2.
2.
Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we are going.
Sir, every time we'll take the updated value of L.
Yeah, we have
Exactly.
to. Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, we will not consider 0.
Not only L, we also take the value of LB as an empty
yes.
list.
Yes.
Okay.
Can you see that we are reinitializing LV? So
Yes, sir.
obviously, if you are going to next iteration, you have to consider the previous iteration also, no? Previous iteration values, no? If you
Yes,
have
sir.
updated. Chalo. So now this is the point where you are going to check again for each B in A. Obviously, there is.
And the second element is 2.
Yeah. Control V. So this will be the second iteration, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the value of B here? Can anybody tell me?
Two,
Next element of
sir.
next element of
2.
A.
2.
It is 2.
That is 2.
Everybody is getting
Yeah, now it's clear.
Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
clear, no?
Mhm.
Yeah, that I wanted to clear you.
That for each B in A, that's
So
where we struck as
now B. So B is what? This one, no? Plus.
Yes.
What is LV?
Still, ma'am, the twist is not
List
yet.
of 1.
LV is what?
Is 1.
B is empty.
List of 1.
Sorry, 1.
This is the one, no?
Yes.
1,
Yes.
yes.
It will be what?
List of 2, 1.
2, 1.
2, 1.
Agreed, everyone?
Yes, sir.
And what will be?
L.
Yes, sir.
L will be
First of L. What is first of L?
2.
2.
2.
This will be 2
plus
2.
what is B?
2.
2.
2.
It will be
4.
4. Now we are going to check one more time B in A. Now, do you have any further elements to read?
No, sir. No, sir.
What we will do? We will just come out from
We'll
this
stop
loop and what we are
iteration.
going to do? LC. So this inner loop has inner for each loop stopped here. No? Got it? Now we came here and what we are doing? LC. Yeah, LC will be what?
2,
LB.
1.
List of
LB is what?
list of is 2,
1.
2.
List of 2, 1.
2, 1.
Plus list of 1. List of 1.
LC is what?
List of 1.
Previously
List of
previous iteration 1, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this will be what?
List
Two
of
comma
List of list
list of 2,
2, comma 1 and
2
list
comma
of
1
list of
list of
comma
1.
list of 1.
one.
Yeah, got it.
and
two elements.
again you are making LV as a
As an empty
empty
list.
As
list.
empty list.
how many have understood LC till now?
I got it.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it,
Got
sir.
it, sir.
Got it, sir. Got it.
Yeah.
Who didn't get? Everybody got?
Yeah.
Got, sir.
Those who are having background noise, now please change your location or mute yourself.
Yes,
Since
please,
5
please.
minutes, this problem, please.
Yeah, please. It will be good, no? For others, it is a noise. So please.
Yeah, please go to the other room, shut your doors or mute yourself. Please help us to understand, please.
Okay, okay.
They is angry today, looks like.
No, I'm unable to listen properly, actually.
Yeah, that's right.
Very difficult, sir.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
No,
Yes,
she,
yes.
she told
Okay.
very good thing.
Yes. Okay, guys. So how many have understood LC till now?
Got it.
Got it, no?
Got
So
it, sir.
if I want to summarize this one, what will be the so LC will be what we have asked? L, no? LC and LC. So
The first question.
L is sum of all elements of all lists.
at last LC will
At
be
last, LC will
Three
be
to
reverse
1
order.
list of 1, 2,
3
3.
comma 2
2,
comma
1.
Yeah, sorry, sir. 1,
List of
Comma
then
list
next
2, comma 1
2 comma 1 then
and
The
list
list
of
of 1.
list of 1.
this is the one. And what about L?
Yes.
sum of all the elements.
Which will be
6,
10.
6, 10.
That I
6
correctly did.
and
10.
4, 10. Yeah.
yeah. So that was the answer, I think, no? If you check the
Yeah,
answer.
first one.
Yeah,
This
where
many
is that?
thinking I didn't.
now it
In
looks
exam,
good.
Now
Deepak,
it's
in
good,
exam,
clear.
how to do this much will take at least 10 to 15 minutes to do
But
this much.
see,
How to
but
solve?
Yeah,
no,
the
if
same happened in the
After
code.
understood,
a lot
ma'am,
of time.
After
after
seeing the new
understanding the
pseudocode, it is difficult.
pseudocode, we don't need too much time to
yeah,
spend on it.
once you familiar with this type of iteration, it
Yeah.
will not take much time. So this is the
No,
answer of
if you practiced and the similar type came, then no issue. But any other new problem came, na, it's very difficult to approach.
yeah. So this is the yeah. Okay. Chalo then. How everybody got it? No, this one I can
Sir,
see.
Yes, sir.
sir, can you
Yes.
explain the value of L one more time?
So L actually what was happening here, if you have seen there, so in first iteration, can you see the one is there?
Yes,
Initially,
sir.
what was there? L is 0. In first iteration, a completion of this first outer loop. So this one I'm saying outer and this one is inner. Everybody got, why I'm saying this is
Yes,
outer,
sir.
this is inner. So
Yes, sir.
once you complete this one, I was able to see that L is the just summation of the element of inner element of LA. So this is LA. If you see that one, in second iteration it will have more clear picture. So in second iteration, which are the elements 1 and 2? So
1
it
and
should be
2.
1 plus 1. So previously in the first iteration it should have one value, then in next one 1 plus 1 plus 2. So
2.
sorry, what is it? So it is 2 plus 1 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, and previously it has value 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 2.
Not
It has
audible.
4, no?
Okay.
Not audible?
Okay. Audible only.
Audible,
Yeah,
sir.
we can hear you.
Yeah.
Sir.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah,
Now
so
okay.
so at the end of second outer loop iteration, you are able to see that it is giving the value 4, means up to here, summation of all elements. Not
Yes,
all
sir.
elements, inner elements. I cannot say elements. You cannot add elements of LA because this is a list. You cannot do addition. You can only append the elements. So for I'm saying the elements inside the list of lists. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So this will be actually the summation will go into the list L.
Okay, sir. One
You
more
do
Hello,
iteration.
sir.
L we cannot initialize as an empty list.
Hello,
L
sir.
we have sorry,
First of L means last came value of L.
first of L will be last of L. So say
No,
one
first
question.
element,
Yeah,
element.
someone has asked that why we have not defined L as a 0. Why we have defined as
Yeah,
L with the
I
element
asked
0.
Deepti.
So yeah, so I will answer other question also, first of L and last of L. So see, what we have is first of L. So first of L should be here a list, not an integer. Understood?
Okay.
So that's
Yes.
why I have initialized L as an one element, which element is 0 actually.
Zero.
This which
Okay.
having element 0 to access to this one, to access this one.
Okay, now I understood. If it is empty, then it
Yeah.
is not defined, no?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Who has
Sir,
asked?
if,
Thank you.
One
if
more
L
question,
is,
sir.
One by
sir,
one,
if
please.
L,
No, I am not able to hear
Okay,
clearly
okay.
who is having
Okay.
doubt. So, who had
sir,
doubt just now talking about the first and last? Can I know your name, please? Vishwajit, you had doubt?
no, sir, actually, my query is, sir, if L is initialized to an empty list, then,
Then first
then,
is not defined. Then first,
yes,
okay, tell me guys. This is important. First
then at
of,
the end, L will not be updated, na?
For first and last,
First.
At
both
any
are
part of the
undefined for
execution.
what will be the
empty
value
list.
of this one? First of an
Undefined.
undefined, correct.
Yeah,
Okay,
undefined,
okay.
sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
no
Yes,
Last
sir.
worries.
of L also.
Last of also will be undefined.
Yes.
Sir, how?
Yeah, moving to the next question. Chalo. So anybody
The
have a doubt?
tutorial,
That
na? Go
means
through the
L should never
tutorial
be an
once.
empty
But
list.
yeah, first and last, there is a rule like that.
There is no
Yeah.
element, so undefined, right?
So L
Yeah.
should not be empty.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the code is.
Yeah. So first, those who have a doubt in this one, just go and check. The simple codes are 2 or 3 lines codes are there in tutorial 5.7. Just watch that one. Your doubts will be clear. Okay, just remember that, because if I go and start going to show you that tutorial, it will take much time, and that this is session is not for that. Okay, chalo, I'm moving to the next question, please. Okay, so I'm giving you 5 minutes for this one. Please mute yourself and start solving this one. Chalo, start it and take your time. And guys, one thing, you guys have how you guys are solving. You have a pen and paper in front of you.
Yeah, sure. I have, sir.
What
Yes,
about
sir.
Yes,
others?
Yes,
we are
sir.
not that
Yes,
much
Yes,
sir.
sir.
expertise to use our brain. We are
Yeah,
using
how
pen,
many
pencil,
how
paper.
many you are watching, just watching and not answering, like do not have pen and paper?
No, we are trying, sir.
Okay.
So my
Sir,
we first of all we try to solve without pen pencil. After that we start writing that it
Yeah.
happened.
Yeah. So that
It
is the good
happens
way.
without
Yeah,
pen
that is
pencil.
what you see. Once you see the code, now first you see the what it is happening. Just
Yeah.
overview of that.
Yeah.
Chalo. So I just explained for third 10 seconds. So what is there? You have A is equal to create a function. You have one procedure. So that procedure is defined. So that procedure you have here, and from that you will return. You will get the some value which will be returned, which will be stored in A. So once you A is equal to create, so you have to look at the procedure, and procedure is defined here. You go and check, and then once you execute this part of the code, you will be returned with the value A, which will be stored in A. What is there? A will be the value of A. So which is returned from this one, procedure create. After that, you start executing this one, and last I am asking the what is the value of answer. Okay, chalo. Any doubt in understanding the question? No, then please solve.
No, sir.
So guys, those who have not joined, I can see 93 participants and 74 have only joined. So please go to joinpd.com. Please go to joinpd.com and enter this code UMLYEV.
Okay, and the code is actually visible here, the right top corner of my screen, UMLYEV. So please go to joinpd.com and enter this code to enter your responses. It will be good that if you join and solve with us, you will also able to manage your time. I mean, how much time you are taking to solve any, if some new type of questions are coming. Okay, so please join this session.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I want to ask, what is rest of A?
Which one? Rest of A.
Yeah. The elements
Rest.
Every element except the first. List of every element
Yeah.
except the
So
first.
you have to.
if it has only one element, then what happens?
Empty list. It will return empty list.
Okay. It means we have to remove first element and then we have to write the rest
Correct.
of elements.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Then you have to start the iteration.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. So time is up, guys. Guys want more time?
Yeah, just 1 or 2 minutes.
Little more times.
Okay. So I give you another 1 minute. Okay. Guys, last 30 seconds. No, 20 seconds.
Done, sir.
Yeah. Done, huh?
I'm done with.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yeah, so I can see responses. Only 42 out of 82 have joined. So please enter your responses, guys. Okay, 2, 2, 2, I can see. What is this? Greater than 2. Nice. Okay, this I can also see. Okay, so correct answer is 2 actually. How many have got?
Got it, but it took too long.
It's fine. No, if you are looking first time, it is taking time. It's fine.
Yeah.
It felt a bit easier than the first problem.
Yeah.
Like,
Yes.
You explained it well, and we did it.
Okay, so that is that was the first warm-up question actually.
But it was all.
Okay, how many have done wrongly this one? And where did you do mistakes? I mean, so see what was happening here. So you had so you should think first, like you have to go through this guy first, and then you have to, first you create the list A, because I can understand A is going to become list because you have initialized
Yes,
A
sir.
as a list, and also you are using this for each y in rest of A. So rest of A, obviously it will give the list. So remember guys, what will be the, and see, whenever I'm saying first and last, it will always give a integer.
Element.
No, sorry,
Yeah,
element
integer.
of
Integer.
element. No, not also. Sorry, I'm wrong actually. It
First
can give
element,
both.
sir.
It can give element, sorry, integer as well as the list also.
Oh,
Because
yeah, sir. Yes.
because see, if L is the list of list, so I just gave you the example actually. So here 1, 2, 3. I can see background noise actually, guys. Please, no, please. So this is actually for the second question. Okay, I'm going to the another page. Okay, it's really good. Yeah. So I wrote this one, and if I'm writing first of L, what it will be? 1.
1. Yes, sir.
1.
And last, what will be?
3.
3, sir.
3.
3. And what about that raised of
2, 3.
2,
L will
3.
be? Yes. You need to leave the first element. So whenever I'm saying raised, you need to leave the first element, and whatever remaining is there, you need to be carried out. Okay. Then we have, what is that? Init.
Init.
1
and 2. 1, 2.
L will be what? You need to now initial. You have to consider all initial value except the last one. So this will be 1, 2.
1,
1, 2. Now you can see all are, so this is in this situation now, sorry, C and control V. If I'm writing like this, sorry, it will be like this. And how many elements now you are having?
2 elements. 2
K.
elements, sir.
How many
2
elements are in K? If I write now
2, sir.
copy C. So now I'm writing K, sorry, K, and K. So what is the value of this guy?
List of first.
List of 1.
This one? What will be the K? This will be?
2, 3.
2, 3.
List of 2, 3.
List of 2.
And this will be rest of K will be?
2, 3.
List of 2, 3.
same as last.
Sorry?
Same as last, sir.
Yeah.
2,
Correct.
And
Inside
the
the
list
list,
of
there will be 2 lists inside the list. Rest
first
inside.
of
And init
first
will be?
of first,
List of 1.
List of 1.
same as first of K.
Sir, regarding the rest K, will not be there one more list, one more bracket?
Yeah, that was I was checking.
Right.
Will come. Yeah.
Yes,
And
yes.
this will be
We need
List
both
of
are
one. List of one.
yes.
understood what is happening here.
Sir, no,
Yes.
yeah, it's clear.
So 1 degree, if you can see here, first of fail, it can have integer or it can have list. But wherever this race, these two guys, if you separate these two one, this will have always a list. It can have list of list, but first and last will can have list
Elements.
as well as
Elements.
integer.
First
Depends
element
on the
in
yeah.
either element or list.
Yeah, now it is clear, no? If one
Yes,
another
sir.
function we have defined also a member.
Member.
Member, if I write this guy L comma 1, what it will be? What it will be the value?
One is a member. And yes.
One.
Sorry?
One.
How many have watched that lecture?
True.
Sir, in
Haven't
this
yet.
it is not.
True.
Haven't yet, sir.
Next,
But
see,
Sorry, member is true and Boolean value.
sorry, sir.
Boolean value, sir.
man, you should see tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you have submission. You guys have not watched the lecture. How we will pass it?
No, I watched.
Sir, actually,
I watched the lectures but unable to
True.
give
Actually,
answer.
one.
So, guys,
Not
you are not
that.
making notes, guys. You guys are not
Yeah,
making
I'm
notes.
We are making
making
notes,
notes.
sir, we are making
but
your
it takes
notes.
a little longer than previous lectures.
Yeah,
it's,
these are the
As
new
you
concepts.
explained well.
We
Yeah.
are making a book, sir.
sir, one doubt here. One
Yeah.
sir told in that video. I didn't understand that word.
Prev. Okay,
yeah.
So, will you
I
please
will check out.
explain the member again?
Me too. Previous not clear
Please
for me
explain
also.
member.
And member also, if they are
See,
asking let number list
See.
of bracket is there. No, that's why I got confused.
Okay, what is there? So see, member how it works. So
Yeah.
how it works, just go and check that lecture. I mean, tutorial
That-
video, how
that
to
I
write this
understood.
one. So what it does, the first element of member will be always a list, and second will be always a less than one
Element.
degree.
Integer,
If you can have member
yeah.
also. If you are having list of list, so one degree will be less. So this is list, then this will be a integer. If this is list of list, then this will be a
List.
can be list or can be integers also,
So,
because you are just
didn't
checking.
understand it.
Yeah, what is there? So see, this is a list, no? This will
Okay.
be always list, and this can be either list or whatever you can write, because what is happening here, you are just checking any element is present on in a list L or not as a member.
Okay, I got it.
Understand?
Yeah.
I'm checking in L, is there any element or not? So see,
Yeah.
it is there.
Yeah.
So that's
It
why it is
is.
true.
Yeah.
If it is control C, control V, if I write like this,
I was like, there is no control C and control V.
now what will be this one?
False.
False.
Because
Correct,
there
no?
is
False,
not
yeah.
list of one. It is
Also.
only
Yeah.
an
What
element,
about, if
which
I write
is integer.
5, what about this one?
Of course, false.
False, sir.
no?
Yeah.
Got it now? Okay.
Sir, what
Chalo.
about K?
Simply the same thing. If you write this one K here,
Yeah.
Then we can
Because
write
that is list
of
no?
one.
So if you are
this
asking
will,
one, then
this will be
false.
no.
in L. So you have to check
False.
in K, in
K,
list
there is no.
K, is there any element 1 or not? But if you see
No,
that,
It is
list of
it is
one
there,
is
but
there.
not in
okay,
the
that's
list.
a good question. That is a good question. I will ask
Yeah,
randomly
thank you,
now.
sir. That was
I
my
will
doubt.
ask randomly. How many are there?
Sir,
Okay,
sir,
wait, guys. So one thing also, we are monitoring who are active in this session. We will get something at the end of this course. So please be active in this session. I'm just going to ask randomly. Which,
Bonus marks.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now everyone is active now.
Pavan Kumar, are you able to hear me? Or sir, if you do not want to answer, you can simply mute, or you can say voice is not coming, or internet issue is there. You have a lot of excuses here.
Right now, I'm traveling in train.
Only Pavan will talk now. Everybody
Yeah.
should be
Okay.
muted.
Okay.
Only Pavan. Pavan, are you able to hear me? Pavan Kumar, are you able to hear me? Internet connection is good. Okay, he doesn't want to answer. Chalo then. Anyone?
May I, sir?
No. Sandhya, you are active, so I'm
No,
not giving
sir.
it.
I'm Sapna, sir.
Sorry, Sapna. I give others
Sapna
also
is
no chance.
excellent in CT, so don't ask Sapna.
She will be.
She is very, yeah, she
Yes,
is very much.
she will be the next course instructor for CT.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo. Okay, next. Just.
Sir,
Kundan
is it
Yadav.
even possible?
Yes, sir. I
Kundan.
can hear you.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
everybody should be muted, and Kundan will only speak. So, what will be the value of here member k comma 1?
It will be false, sir.
Correct.
Because k does not have integer as its member, but a list.
Correct. A list as a here elements are elements are as list. No. Here elements are as integers. ठीक है ना? So that's why this is false. If I write this, yeah, Control C. If I write here this one, then it will be true.
True.
No? Everybody agree on this?
Agreed,
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Chalo then. I am
Sir,
taking
I have
so
one
much.
question. Just one
Yes.
question.
Yes,
In in K, could we have, apart from lists being elements, we could also have a single integer being also an
Yeah. This can be also there. Sorry. This will be also there. What is there?
Okay, and we can even have alphabets.
Yes. It can have this one also.
In further course, it will be coming in.
So these has to be in quotes. This has to be in quotes.
These all type of list called dictionary. Am I right, sir?
No. So
dictionary.
Only list of list is called in dictionary.
It will have two properties. Key value.
This is character.
No. Wait. Dictionary is in next week. I will tell you. Don't confuse yourself. I will tell you how to.
I was like,
yeah.
Connecting all
and dictionary
the
doesn't have an
concepts
order,
and
right?
all.
Yeah, and so a dictionary you can write in any order. Doesn't matter. But here order is important.
Yeah.
Elements. So list can have either elements can have a character, a string, a list. This guy. I have explained in week 1 or week 2. I have explained all list of dictionary.
Yes. There was a list in previous. I think in second week.
Yeah, I think in second week. Yes. So please go and watch that one. So, chalo. Your doubt is clear, Divya, now?
Sir, I
Yes,
asked
sir.
that
Yes, sir.
priv.
Yes, sir.
Sorry?
Sir, I asked that priv.
Prev is in that particular, where is that? In that lecture?
Now, do you have any questions with previous in our problems here now? Solve with us.
No. In this I'm not having. I will talk after this session. No, just show me where it is there.
Fine.
Okay. Chalo then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, Hassan,
Okay.
yeah?
So, yeah, who is this?
Hassan, sir.
Yeah, Hassan. Tell me.
I have a question here. So, we are talking about lists. So, we can include integer or any other string type of data types here. Could it contain float values like point decimal values?
Float we have not defined currently here. Okay, no. Float we have not defined. Okay. Chalo. So please give me. Otherwise, this session will go more than 9 o'clock. So wait, guys. If you have doubt,
I have a small doubt.
Yes, please.
Sir, can we use 0 and 1 as a boolean call?
No. So generally we have defined true and false here in boolean. Understand? True and false. So boolean have only that. What is that? Two range.
0 and 1.
So 0 and 1. So if you have what is that? We have number system in computers.
Yeah,
we have 0 and 1.
Digital electronics.
So there 0 and 1 is only the two ranges you can have.
Yeah.
In that term, binary system. Binary system.
Yeah.
So there are only two. So that's why here we have defined as a true and false. Okay. Chalo, don't go, take me to other topics here. Chalo. So see.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Once we create, so how A has created, you guys have understood.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to explain in 1 minute.
Absolutely correct.
Yeah, I'm going to explain in 1 minute. Just give me a time. So what we have done, we have why I'm going to do first this one, because as you see the first, this is the main code and this is the procedure. It will be like, it should be in one code, but for to clear view, I just put it this side. It should be in one code. Actually, it is one code. So as you see this create procedure, you need to run, or we need to go where procedure create is defined. So it is defined here, and it will get some return value, which is stored in A. So that's why I'm going here to explain here. So procedure A, you have created what? An empty list. I is equal to 99, while I is greater than 0. What is the value of I currently I am having? 99. 99 is greater. 99 is greater than equal to 0. 99 is greater than equal to
No,
0?
sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That in that case, I can't help anything, no? Okay. Okay, then you are
ज्यादा
going.
सोचने के बाद यही होता है.
Okay. Enough. Sometimes it happens. A mistakes. That is just a mistake, which I also do in some graded assignment question and other questions. So don't.
I am also doing.
Yeah. Okay. So 99 is greater than 0. Yeah, it's true condition. You will go inside. Or what you are going to do? A is equal to A plus 100 minus I. What do you mean by this one? So what you are going to do? Just I write for the one case. Okay. My notepad is visible.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So A is equal to A plus what you are doing? 100 minus I.
99.
99.
Correct. So what do you mean by A is initially what you have defined? An empty list.
Empty list.
And then see, so whenever you are appending, you are using double plus. So always remember you are appending the element of this list. So 100 minus
list of
90,
1.
Yeah,
List
100,
of 1.
100 minus I is what?
99.
This will be what?
1.
List of 1.
1, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody agree?
Yes, sir.
And you have decreased I with 1. So
Which
I
is
will
98.
98.
So it will go up to how many times? How many times it will go?
99
Till 0.
99 times.
Till
Is it?
100.
Till
Till
0.
How
100.
many times?
100.
0, so 100, so
100 times.
Because 0 is also
Because
there.
0 is also there. Na?
Yeah.
till 0, so 100.
So when
99 to 100.
So when
0.
I is okay. Give me 1 minute. So guys, Deepak, I think something background noise is coming. Can you please mute? Okay. So when I is equal to 99, the first value is 1 that I have shown here. No, 1. And when you have when you go to when I is equal to 0, because you are keep decreasing the by 1. So when is equal to 0, 0 is greater than equal to 0. It's a true or false condition?
True, sir. True.
True, sir. True.
Then it will be 100. 100 minus
100.
0. Correct. So you will get this value A as a return to this function. Okay. So what is the value of A you are having now? This guy. Got it, no?
Yeah.
Then what you are going to do? Flag, you have made it true. Guys, please mute. No, I think some background is there. Just check now what is happening around you. Some background noise is coming. It just disturbs to others. No, please. And those who are not talking, just please unmute yourself. That will remove most of the problems here. Okay, so what you have done? Flag, you have made it true. Okay, x is equal to first of A. So what will the value of x currently we are having?
1.
First of
1.
A.
1. First element of A.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then for each y in raised of A, you are not going to start with A. You are starting with raised of A. So first you need to find the value of raised of A. Not only 2, man. It will give the entire list. I think most of them mistaken in that. Okay.
2 to
So
100.
raised of A will be, you have to just leave the first element of that list A, and remaining element you need to write.
which
Got it?
contain 99 elements in it.
Correct. Everybody agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir,
Yes.
I can see more participation from girls side. What happened to boys? Chalo.
You can say yes too.
Chalo.
I
So
am here,
if
sir.
okay, yeah. So you should say
We are
yes,
not
no.
giving them chance.
Exactly. Yes.
Maybe,
They are not
maybe
giving
that.
us. This is true.
Okay, guys. So now I have to shift this guy to this screen. So what is the value? So you are having A is equal to finally. Sorry.
List of one,
One,
two, three.
one. Sorry.
List of, sir.
Yeah. 1 comma 2 comma
Up to 100.
3 comma. So this will be up to
100.
100. Nice. And then what you have done? You have defined x is equal to
First of A.
first of A. First of A is what? 1. And then
One.
you are going here for each y in rest of A. So first just
Rest
find
of A.
y. Yeah. Rest of A will be
2 to 100.
yeah.
List of 2 comma. List of.
Correct. And
Yes.
now we are
Correct,
going
sir.
now we are going to iterate for each y in rest of A. So what is the first element as we enter to this for each?
2, sir.
Y equals to 2.
So what is
2,
the value
first
of y
element.
you are having? 2.
Y equals to 2.
2.
Now we are going to check x is what you are having.
False.
Greater than
Never happens.
This will not exist.
This is
False,
first
sir.
stage. So one
wait.
X I came here, x is greater than
x is
y,
equal to first stage. So
which is what is the value of x you are having?
one.
One.
So 1 is greater
No.
than 2.
Of course,
No, sir.
false, sir.
No.
No, false, sir.
False. Will it go
False.
inside?
No,
No.
sir.
Then
No,
it
sir.
will
No, sir.
always be false.
Correct. So you are having x now. Since it is not going, where it will come here? Here. So what you have
X
done?
equal
You
to
have
y.
made x is equal to y.
Becomes 2.
1.
So
2.
y. What is
Y
the
become
value of
once.
2.
what is the value of
X.
y? 2, no?
2.
2, sir, 2.
Then again you are going here and again you are checking the next elements.
Excuse me,
Actually, this
Excuse, sir?
for each
Okay.
loop is only for confusing. There is no
Sapna.
use of this.
Yes, true. Sapna, just a second. Who had doubt? I think I can.
Sir, if
Yeah, no.
you have used exit loop, then how it will reach to the x equal to y?
I will tell you. Just let me iterate one more time. Then I will go to this part. Okay.
Okay.
So now what is the value? So you have made it x is equal to y, which is now 2. You came here, and what is the element? What is the value of y now?
3.
3, sir.
You are going to read the next element of rest of A. Rest of A. What is that? This one. So first you have already read. So next element is 3. No, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
again you are going to check. So what is the value of
False.
x you are having?
1,
2.
2, sir.
2.
This is actually 2, and this is actually 3. Again it is false. It will not go inside. So can you see, for any value of y and x, this condition is going to be true or false?
Always false.
Everything is always
False.
false. That
False.
false
So
only, sir. It will not go inside.
Yeah. Okay. So we will never enter to this guy, this side, inside. If we
Yes,
are
sir.
entering, let us say at here we are entering when y is equal to 2, imaginary condition. If you enter, you will make it flag false and exit loop. So exit loop will check where is my parent loop, not this if loop. If is a loop or for each is a loop. Which one is loop?
For each
For
is a loop.
each is the loop.
Yeah, if is not a loop, if is a
Conditional.
single time, yeah, see, if is a conditional single. Hey guys, I don't know what to do. Yeah, so if you guys have some background noise, just check, or if you can move to another room or just close your room or something. Anyway, you are not studying in the top of your roof, no? I think it's a night now.
Of course, sir.
Okay. Chalo. So as you go inside, it will just you will make it. So this will never true. I'm just saying the imaginary condition to understand how it will work. Okay, so don't confuse yourself. So for any condition, it will not go inside. But consider if some imaginary situation, if it true and if it is going inside, you will make it flag as a false. And exit loop. So exit loop means what? Where is your loop? Parent loop. Also, if there is more than one loop, you will go to the just parent loop, just previous loop, not at the beginning one. Okay, so chalo. So exit loop. So if is not a loop, it is just a conditional one time checking conditional statement. Where is the loop? This guy. So without further reading y, means further reading the element of a, it will just simply come out of here, means it will come out here, because this is the closing bracket for this for each loop. So it will come here the cursor without reading the all the elements of rest. ठीक है, चलो. So
I have a
you can,
question here.
yeah, Hassan, tell me.
Sir, is exit loop is a predefined function here?
Yeah, exit
Like,
loop we have defined now in week 5, I think.
Oh, अच्छा, ठीक है.
हाँ, Sapna, yeah, tell me.
Yeah. So, as we can see, the condition x is greater than y. This will never will become true.
True
Then
for
how
any
can
value.
how
Yeah,
can
no.
we enter in this loop?
No,
We-
sir, just that's why I just told that. It's for imaginary condition. I was trying to tell that how
Okay.
exit loop works.
Okay.
It will never true. This guy will never true. Understand?
Huh.
So flag will be a still true.
So
ठीक है?
what is the work of that? If
Just
static.
to just to make you confused.
Just to
doubt in exit loop, can I
sir,
show?
just to
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
So
Actually, in one problem in our week 5, 2 for each loops are there, and each loop is having exit loop. Like this is one loop now for each and exit loop,
हाँ.
and we have similar another for each and exit loop. There I have doubt.
Okay, I will come to that particular question. But exit loop works like that. It just goes to the previous, the first parent loop. Parent is what? This is the parent. If another loop is there, that is the grandparent. You can say no. That is the grand. So this you just go to the parent loop. So this is the loop. So many people might have confused that it will just come out from if. No, because if is not a loop, can you see that the loop word it said exit loop. So you will just go and check the previous. Chalo, theek hai? I will talk it in more when you have some another problem. Chalo. So this will be never true, this condition. So your what is the flag value will be still true. No? Until we exit.
Yeah.
Okay? So that's why at the end of for each loop, the value of flag will be true only, which will be initialized value only. So now we are going to go check there. So answer is equal to 0 here. If flag, so what is the value of flag you are having?
True.
True.
It will go inside?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
It will not go to the else part? No, na?
No,
It will
no.
go inside and answer will be first and rest of A. So rest of A you have already defined. Rest of A will be 2, 3 and
2 to 100.
2 to 100. And what will be the value of first then? So how it works actually, just I tell you, where let me write actually. So you have what is the value NSWR answer is equal to, you have first, how you should approach to this type of problems.
So we will take the inside one.
Yeah, so the first you just check this guy.
Value of rest A.
Yeah, first you check this guy.
Yes, sir.
So it is clear.
But
So
like
it is visible.
Yes, sir.
Composite function.
Composite functions.
For me, it is not clear. Chalo, now it is clear, no? So now,
Yes,
as
sir.
you see, the first you need to calculate the rest of A. So what is the value of rest of A?
Which is list 2, 3,
Yeah,
and
list
up to
of
100.
2 to up to 100.
2 till 100.
2 to 100.
Actually, you have already calculated. No, so I'm writing it. What is the value of rest of A? A is what? This guy, no? Where is that? Where is that?
1 to 100.
1 to 100.
1 to 100, no?
200.
It was up
These
there.
guys are
Rest
not
A.
able to
Sir,
understand. See,
first
rest of
write
A-
rest also. Yes, sir. We already updated
Yeah,
the
this-
rest of A. Then
we have
why?
already wrote, no? So rest,
Yeah.
yeah. So rest of A will be what? This guy, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, 2 to
of course.
100.
Sir,
Ah,
Yes.
2 to
200.
100.
Rest of A will be 2.
2 to 100.
200.
So I was checking where I have written. Okay. And then you have to calculate first of this list.
First
element of
First element of this list.
That is
Got
true.
it?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it, no?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Chalo, I'm
very
going
much
to
clear.
yeah. Everybody clear on this? If
yes
such
sir.
type of problems will come in
Yes,
anywhere, we
sir.
will be
Sir,
able to solve.
Clear,
Yes.
You
sir.
explained well.
please explain last part one more time.
Okay. So this part you understood, no? Up to here
Yes,
means
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
flag will be still true.
Yes, sir.
It will never go. Okay. So
Yes,
now
sir.
you have come here and answer you have initialized with 0. Okay. So you have initialized with 0. That is written there. If flag. So what is the value? So what you have done? Answer you have initialized as a 0, and then you have what is that? If is what? Flag you have written. Sorry, I always write a first. Flag. What do you mean by if this guy? So what is the value of flag you have?
True.
True. So sorry, again ulta. Some. Okay. So if it is true, obviously it will go inside, no? Kavita? If
Yes,
it is
sir.
true, it will go inside
Yes,
and
sir.
it will check the answer. So answer is what? First raised
First,
A.
rest of
So
it.
you should have start with the inner one. That is what I wrote. So first raised and A. So first you need to calculate the raised of A. Before that you have to find the what is the value of A. So actually we have already defined, but still I'm going through the very initial beginning. So what is the value of A? You have calculated this guy, no? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you after that you need to find the value of raised of A. So raised of A you have calculated here 2, 3,
Yes, sir.
200. That is what I wrote here.
Yes, sir.
And what will be the first of this list? First element you should pick up, no?
Please mute.
Okay, sir. Got it. Now got
Got it.
it, sir.
Chalo then. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm going moving to next question. Okay, everybody is clear in this?
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Chalo. Next question. This is the one. Please, everybody mute. I'm going to give you 5 minutes and this.
Sir, please mute Monish Kumar Gupta.
They should understand, no? They are not now in week 1.
You can mute all of us, and
I
whenever we want.
I can, but I'm just understand you guys are more mature now, so that's why. Chalo.
The last element of the
What is that last element of?
now I can see when you remove the box.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So 5 minutes, guys.
Sir, I have a small question here. Sorry for
Okay.
interruption. Sir, I have just missed the first question. So
It's
क्या
okay.
होगा
You
सर?
can
कुछ
solve
प्रॉब्लम
this.
तो नहीं है?
No.
अच्छा ठीक है.
You can go and watch on YouTube. It's fine. Okay. Chalo.
Okay, sir.
Okay, please mute yourself if you're not okay.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm
Yeah, tell
right
me.
now on the train and my battery is going to die. So can you please, as you said last time that if we are active, then you will give some
Yeah, so I will share this one slides in the sense I will share in terms of student based activity. You can go and do by yourself. That's fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So, isn't this kind of infinite loop while true will never become false? It will keep on going.
Yeah, something is there, exit loop is there, na? That's right. Exit loop will come out from this.
If he is
If
less than 0, then it will exit.
Okay, we'll discuss this one, but question is correct. That is what I'm from my side. We just try to work on that. Last 1 minute, I think. Okay, guys, time is up. You guys want more time? That's fine.
Yes, sir. 1 minute more, please.
30 seconds. I'm at problem number 3rd and its time is already 7:40. I think. Yes. So guys, those who have not entered the responses, please enter fast. And then so 42 I can see. And I can, yeah. Yeah. Time up, guys. It's done, no? Guys?
Done, sir.
Okay, sir.
Others?
Done, sir.
Okay. Last 10 seconds I'm giving you. Just try to do. I think 10 seconds also it will not matter now if you have not sold.
That is right, sir.
Yeah, but I'm giving you time to enter your responses at least. This type of question I like because you are just very vague in answering what it should be the answer. If I'm giving options,
10 seconds
when
over.
you are
Sir, I thought I solved this question earlier.
yeah, so this is actually continuation, no, from previous term actually. So this is these questions we keep. To some questions are like concept clearing questions, so that's we cannot remove. So these are the okay. Chalo. Sapna, I think you were in previous term. I think some of the previous term.
Yeah.
He was there.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I can see.
Thanks, sir. You are still remember me.
Yeah, see, I take live sessions, so I remember each and every student. Almost I've tried to remember those who are active in my session.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see 135, 70. Okay. Yeah, I see now I have a beautiful distribution of responses. 75, I can see 150. Yeah, nice. If I give 4 options, I have only like 25% of chalo. So obviously the answer is 75 actually.
Yeah.
How many have got correct?
I got it.
I got correct, sir.
I got it.
Correct.
Sir, I got confused in this. Would we minus the last, negative value?
No, after 5 it won't. Minus
After
5
5,
it will work.
it will be executed.
Okay, guys. Okay. So anybody
Let's
want me
see.
to explain? Those who are not active. See. Actually, we are monitoring those who are active on this session, and we give you something. So don't be silent. Please talk. Talk if you are having any doubt. Just let me know. I'm here to clear that one. So please be active. Ask something, and no any doubt are like bad or good. Or all are good doubts.
If possible, may I explain this question?
Okay, just I am giving you then 1 minute. The next term.
Sir,
Next.
First of all, ask someone is there is any doubt or not. I was like,
yeah, I can
if
see
yes,
170.
We do have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have seen the responses, where people have entered other.
Mobile turn yes hota.
Sir, can I
Can you
explain?
please me?
Can I explain, sir?
Next question you explain, Abdullah, no?
Yes, sir.
Let Sapna has said first.
Okay,
Abdullah
yeah,
is also
okay, sir.
expert. Abdullah and Sapna, these
No.
both are experts in CT.
So you are also going to expert
After
at
Abdullah,
the.
I would like to explain, sir.
Okay, just fast. No, time is not.
Okay.
Please do it first.
First of all, here we have given a list having lots of elements in it, and here answer is initializing to 0, and this is while loop is an loop. Okay, so we have to continue this loop. If of course we have to complete, it is already given that this is true, so we are coming inside this loop, and and there are lots of conditions, like if length excuse me, so first I
fine.
have to.
Yeah, what happened?
Yeah, you are explaining.
Maybe there's a disturbance.
So here in first condition, we have asked if length of L, which is list of having elements, number of elements is called in length of list. Okay, length of L. So they are not equal to 0.
If it is
equal to 0.
Yeah, it is not an equal to 0, because so after that we are not coming inside this loop. So moving to next, E is equal to first of L. It means first element of list, which is 1, and here we update E equal to 1. Moving forward, if L is equal to, if E is equal to 0, and this is not equal to 0 because E is 1. Okay, here we already update E is equal to 1. So 1 is not equal to 0. So this condition is also false. We haven't come inside this loop, haven't come inside this condition. Okay, after that, moving to next condition, E is less than 0. This is also false, because E is 1, not less than 0. Okay, moving to next, answer is equal to E, answer plus E. Answer is 0 and E is 1. So answer is updating to 1.
Yeah.
And in the next, L is equal to rest of L, which is starting from 6, 3, 0, 5, 5. Okay. Removing first element. So that's why continuing these steps, we can got 75.
Yeah. So yeah, correct. Yeah. So she has explained bit, yeah, in good way. So what she was trying to say, once you go through this particular loop, means this will be always true, means
Always
this is
true.
true, it will go inside all time. But when it will execute, that depends on this, whenever this condition is becoming true or this condition is becoming true, because this is the
Exiting loop.
correct, no? Yeah, exit loop is there. So exit loop say, so
Sir, when
exit loop,
E will be equal to 0, like there is the element 0 in the loop, then
In the fourth
Sir,
element,
when
will
E
if
is
we
equal to
got
minus
fourth
1, we'll
element
exit the loop.
in list, then we
That
get
is 0.
this condition will be true and we come inside this loop.
When
no,
E is equal to
in
minus
this
1, then
condition.
we will exit the loop.
Shapna says length of L. What do you mean by
Yes,
length of
that
L?
that will
So
never be
length of
true.
L is this
Element.
one.
That
Yeah.
will never be true. There's element.
Yeah, that will be true. But before that, this guy will be true, and because of that, this will exit. So I just explained. Just give me a minute. To, yeah. Thank you, Sapna. Yeah. So just I'm giving you the brief view what it is happening here. So what you have initially L, which is defined here. You need not to calculate in this particular question. Then you have initialized answer as a 0. Then while true. So true is means what? It will simply just without checking, because
Always
final
true.
value itself is true. It will go inside, and if length of L is equal to 0, what is the value of L currently you are having? So not
Number
0,
of
no?
elements.
Because 1, 2,
Not
3,
0.
4,
Many
5.
elements
No,
are
sir.
there.
Yeah, many
Many
elements are there.
elements.
Okay, no? I think 15 now. How many there? 3 to
If there is
5.
no element in the list, then it will be true.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
a 16 element, I think. Yeah. So total 16 elements are there. So length of L is how much? 16 is not equal to 0. So obviously it will, this condition is not true. It will not go inside. Where it will come? It will come here. So E is equal to first of L. So what is the value of first of L it can have now?
1.
1.
Everybody agree on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the, what is the
Yes,
what
sir.
is the value of E
Yes.
currently we are having? 1.
1.
If
1.
E is equal to 0, what is the value of E? 1. 1 is
1.
equal to 0. Is it true or false?
No.
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 False.
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 False condition. You will not come here also. You came here. Next one. 1 is less than 0. Is it true or false?
No.
False.
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 False. Also, you are not going to come inside. Now it will here. Answer is equal to answer plus U. What is the value of answer you have defined
0.
0.
initially? 0.
0.
So
1.
0
0
plus
plus
1
0 plus
equals
1,
to
1.
1.
0 plus
Answer
1
1
equals
equal
to
to
okay.
1. Yes,
Now
sir.
you have
Yes, sir.
updated. Now you have updated L with
Rest.
rest
Rest
of
of
rest
L.
of
L.
well.
The
So
L.
what
We'll
is the
remove
value
the
of
6.
first element.
6.
answer?
The
16.
list remains the
Starting
same.
from
So
6.
now, yeah. So
Starting
now
with
it,
6.
yeah. So now it will start with the 6, 3. Sorry, someone had doubt here. L is equal to rest of L.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Answer
tell me.
is equal to answer plus E. Could you please explain
Yeah, answer
one
is
time?
equal to answer plus E. So what is the value we have defined initially? Answer
0.
0.
It is 0.
What's your name?
Okay. Yes, sir.
What's your name? I think you
Subhangi.
can. Subhangi. Yeah. So see, Subhangi, you have initialized answer as a
Subhangi
0.
Jaiswal, sir.
Yeah, Subhangi. Yeah. So 0 plus E. What is the
Yes.
value you have? 1, no? Here, E is equal to first of L. So 0 plus 1 will be what? 1, no? Answer. See, this will be the
Yes,
this
sir.
will be the assigned value. So this is assignment. This is equality check. That you understood, no? From the week 1 and 2, I think there we have explained. So you are assigning this value with the updated answer plus C.
Yes.
So you have variable answer. You have added some value to answer. So answer initially you had 0, and this is you are added by 1, because what value of E was 1 for this iteration. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So now we have value of answer is 1, no? Shubhangi? Hello? Hello? Okay. So now the rest is equal to rest of L. So what is the L now we are having? The first element of L, once you apply this
Rest
rest
of
of
the
6.
element.
6.
6.
so
6.
it will start from 6, 3, no? Now we are coming here. So we are actually not going here. Actually, we just updated the value. So just I'm trying to show here, it will now what value will have starting with 6, 3, no?
Yes,
All
sir.
elements. Now you are coming again, while is true, again you are going. If length of L is equal to 0, which is false condition, because length you are not having 0, length of list, no? it will come here. E is equal to first of L. What is the value of E now you are having?
6.
6, no? So this is actually first, no? So 6. If 6 is E is equal to 0, 6 is equal to 0, false condition.
No, sir, false.
It will not go inside. 6 is
This
less
is
than 0.
also
So false
false.
condition not go.
No.
So
So
answer will
1
be now.
plus 6.
What is the value of answer
6
you have in
plus
previous
1,
attempt?
7.
1
1
plus 6.
One minute.
1
One minute.
plus
1
6.
minute. 1 minute, guys.
plus
So
6.
1 plus 6 will be
7.
7.
7. Now again you have
Oh,
updated
no,
and you
no.
have made it.
3.
Sorry. So L will be now rest of L. So now again L will be from 3
This
0
starting
5 5
from
now.
3.
So what you are doing? You are this condition again it is false. This condition you are making E is equal to now 3. This is false because 3 is not equal to 0. 3 is not less than 0. So you are making answer is equal to answer plus E. What is the value now? 7 plus 3 will
7
be
plus 3, 10.
10.
Now rest of L will be what? Starting with the 0.
0.
Okay? So 0. Now true is again this condition is
Yes.
false.
Yes,
What is the
sir.
value of E now you are having?
0.
0.
0. 0.
So 0. So always. So now this condition is becoming true.
True.
Answer will be answer.
2 into
Answer.
2 into
2 into 10,
What is
20.
2 into
what is
10.
the
20 it
so
will
now
become, sir.
now you have answer is equal to 20. ठीक है?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now you will come here and again you will check. E is what? 0. 0 is less than 0. So true or false condition?
No. False.
False.
It will come. Now answer is equal to answer plus E. You have value 20 plus
0.
0.
Doesn't change. It will be still 20.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so that is what I wrote. So before hitting the 0 value, answer will be 10. No, before hitting the coming guys, please mute. No. So before hitting the value 0, you had 10. Once you hit the first 0, which is this one, it will become twice because of this guy is becoming true, and you made it answer with the twice. No, okay.
Yes, sir.
So again same thing will do. What you will do, you will again add this one. So if you go for the next now see rest of element again you are starting with the 5. No, 5 then 5 5 like that. No, so again
Yes,
you are
sir.
going to check. You will check length of L. Obviously this is not true. It will come. What is the value of E you are having? 5 now. 5 is not equal to 0. 5 is not less than 0. Answer will be 20 plus 5.
25.
25. Again, L is equal to rest of L. So now it will start from here, which is again, first element is 5. It's fine, no?
5.
So what we are
Yeah.
doing? So 20
Again,
plus
again.
5
20
plus
plus 5.
5 plus
30.
5. So it will be 30.
30.
When it will become 0, it will make
will
it
double.
60.
60.
30 into 60
60
will
plus
do.
0.
Everybody is following what I'm saying here?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
It hits, answer will be 60. Again, what we'll do? We'll again add.
Plus 10.
So 60 plus 10, 70.
Plus
70, 75.
75.
Now we
75.
have L starting with minus 1. No.
Less than
74.
Yes, sir.
yeah.
So now you will
Yes, sir.
come here,
Exit
it
the
will
loop.
go inside. Length is still not equal to 0.
Yes,
It
sir.
is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
what now? You are having minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus
This
1.
is minus 1 equal to 0 is a false condition.
False.
Minus 1 is less than 0. Is it true or false?
True.
True, sir.
True condition.
Exit the
As it
loop.
is true, it will
Exit
start
loop.
finding the loop. Where is the loop actually? Tell me.
While.
While true.
It will also not read these things, these elements. It
Yeah.
will simply come out. The closing bracket of while is where? Here.
Yes, sir.
Our line of the code will come here. So without
Yes, sir.
reading this value also. So exit loop, as you see, it will just check the where is the while
Right
loop.
away it will exit.
While loop is there. It's a closing bracket. Means where it is closing here. So it will, you are coming out of this while loop, and answer will be what will be the answer then? 75.
75.
75.
Sir,
Everybody agree
then
on
we
this?
will not
Yes, sir.
like
Yes, sir.
consider rest
Just
of
one.
the elements.
Sir,
Yeah, Kavita, yeah. We will not read further. As we see this one, we are coming out
Why,
of from
sir?
this loop because exit loop is there. Now we have to check where is that loop is closing. So loop is, this has opened here, and you have to just put a straight line, and this is a closing bracket. So the meaning of exit loop is like that. The working of exit loop we have defined in such a way that whenever you will see the exit loop, you will just start finding the parent loop. This is the parent loop. Actually, one loop is there. So this is actually parent loop. If you see the more than one, I will explain which is the parent and which is not.
Here two exit loops are there. Na? If first if satisfies, then it will come out.
Yeah, means any one of the
Sir, if it is no negative values, then it will work, no, sir?
But first one will never.
yes. If no any negative value, then this will work. Okay. So as you see the exit loop, it will come out here without reading the further elements. So it will not read the 2, 4, 1, 10, minus 3, 43. Understood? So it will, the value of answer will be still which we have added up to here. Okay? So which is 75.
Okay,
Everybody
sir,
agree on
sir,
this?
one
Yes.
Yes, sir.
a doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. Just me. Someone has
Previously,
doubt.
previously, when in the last question, you were saying about for each. In for each, there is an exit loop in that too. And when
Yeah.
you were saying that it's going to exit for each, and it's going to go to the upper loop for each. The other when it is
Yeah, so only one parent. So I will check, I will explain you in how exit loop is there. So you just parent loop, I'm saying why, because you might have one more loop outside of this one. So just a minute,
a second loop, it goes to the second upper loop.
Just a minute. That is the confusion actually you will have in later stage. So that's it. So for each one loop is there, another for each is there.
Yes, two nested
Yeah,
iterations.
sorry, for each. And you are having something here in sub statement is there.
Actually, sir, it is in the previous question.
So this is the for each exit loop is there. This one, the previous I have just showing. So see, this is actually some statement can be there, na? Some statement can have here.
Anything.
Yeah, anything. Let's say a is
X,
equal to
X equals to X plus
A is
1.
equal to A plus 1.
A plus 1.
A plus 2. Yeah, ठीक है ना?
Yeah.
So as you see this exit loop, this condition is going. This is the loop here. As for any condition, this becoming true. Like let us say inside some if condition is there.
Yes.
If some condition is there, some condition is there. ठीक है? Some condition is there, and this has opened here. And just a minute.
And
So this is closed here. So for any condition, for any value of this guy, as you see this condition is becoming true, exit loop is there. So exit loop will check where is my parent. So loop, now see
that
exit
is for
is there,
each.
loop is there. So where is this is first loop and this is second loop. Just name I'm just giving. Don't confuse.
For if it parent loop will be for each two.
Yeah. So where is the parent actually? First you start looking the loop. So if is not a loop, first loop is what? As you go backward, this is the first loop. So this is actually parent loop for this each exit. So it will exit from this loop, not from this loop. So where is the closing bracket of this guy? If you put the straight line, this is the closing bracket of this one. So it will come here and it will read this guy, but it will not further read the another element which is happening, which is available in list here. Okay.
For each two.
So this will be more clear if I explain one of the questions. So don't worry about it.
I got it.
Yes.
I got
Okay,
it.
sir.
I understood.
So
The parent
you
loop
haven't
always be
taken-
the upper loop. The upper
Sorry.
loop.
Yeah, someone is saying.
Sir, you haven't making bracket, open bracket.
Yeah. This I just telling the bracket understood.
Understood, sir. Understood.
Yeah, it will be something for each x in L1 or something L, or for each y in
L.
something
L.
like
We can. Okay.
rest of
L.
that can be also our code, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Chalo. Like that it can have. Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, so this
Thank you.
problem is third problem is also done. I think done. No, everybody got why is 75 is answer. No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
sir.
Now moving the next question. Yeah, let's start this one. I'm giving you 5 minutes for this one. It's a little. It will take time. Something.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
How long this session is going?
That is depending on you guys. I wanted to finish at least 5 questions in 2 hours. I'm not able to finish. So I think in next half an hour I am going to close this session. Okay? Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Sir, it's
Sir, how
okay,
many
but I have
questions
to
are
go
there
right
total?
now.
Yeah, next only one question is there. This is the 4th question. Next, this is the second last, and Okay.
Can we get all the slides, sir?
Yeah. You guys will get the slides. So those who are not having time can leave the session. I can join the they can go to the slides once I share with the portal team. Okay. Sorry, because see, I cannot leave anyone without explaining. That is my problem.
Okay, sir. I'm leaving this session right now.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So yeah, last 3 minutes. No, I just told 5 minutes. No, for this one. So last 3 minutes. I will be back in 2 minutes. So guys, please don't make noise and just solve by yourself. Guys, done? Or I think 1 more minute is there.
So one more.
Yeah. Okay.
This question is a bit lengthy, so can you please?
Yeah. Okay. I'm giving 1 more minute. No.
Okay, sir. Right. 3 plus 1.
Yeah, guys, please enter your responses. I think time is up. Do you want more time in this?
Yes, sir. 1 minute more, please, sir.
Okay, okay.
I got the question, but it's lengthy.
Yeah, it's not lengthy. If you understood the code,
Yes,
what
sir.
it is happening, it will be not lengthy then. Chalo. Okay, I'm giving another only 30 seconds more, not 1 minute.
Done, sir.
Okay, last 10 seconds. Yeah, time up, guys. Please enter responses. I can see only 26 responses, and I can see 50, 100. Oh, nice. 150. I can see only 0, 50. Okay. Nah, many have not answered. Okay, so 50 is the correct answer actually. Only problem I think I can understand the creating this list L from this one. I mean, not problem. It's a little bit if you understand what it is
The
happening.
list is 1 to 100.
Yes, sir. List is.
Sir, I got problem in
100 to 1.
Yeah, how many have got? I think only one I can see.
I got 50, sir. Then I deleted because I got a doubt.
Who got? Okay, who
I
got
got
50?
Sir, I got 50.
I got a doubt because
Okay. Oh, who got 50?
last minute
Sir, I got 50.
I got 50.
I got
Sneha and who's
Divya.
even I got, sir.
Deepthi also.
Yeah, but last moment I felt a doubt. That's why I didn't enter the number because I felt n into n minus 1 by 2. I need to do.
Okay, so what is happening here? So you had. So what it is happening here? You have to first create the means you have to go to the procedure create to get the
Yeah.
value of L. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the
1
there.
to 100.
So what it is happening here? You have initialized
I
L.
got this list, but I don't know. I don't get that 50.
How many have got this list?
I got
Sir,
this list.
Sir, I got.
Yes, I got the list, sir.
I got the list, sir. I
Sir, I
got the
got.
list, sir. I got it,
So
sir.
half of the problem is done. So actually, that because of lack of time, you didn't go
Yes,
to
sir.
solve
Yes,
the
sir,
next.
exactly.
Yes, yes.
Okay, but still, if you are able to they get this much, it's fine. Okay, chalo
Okay,
then.
sir.
Oh, how many have not got this one also? Anyone? It's okay, man. If you are not able to
Yeah, I
get,
have not got
Yes,
this
sir. I have
Sir,
not
I
got.
too got wrong, sir.
acha, chalo. Then I just just explain one more time to clear it out. So what we have done, we have created one another empty list L. I is equal to 1, flag is true, while I is less than equal to 100. So what is the value of I you are having currently? I 1.
1. 1. 1.
1 is less than equal to 100.
True, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. True.
What is flag?
True, sir.
Flag is
True.
true. It will go
So,
inside.
Like it's true.
yeah. So let me write and then. So you have L is equal to then I. What is the value of I? Flag is since it is true, you are going inside and you are making I.
I is
What is the
1.
value of
Sir.
I?
I
I
1.
is 1.
1.
Plus
Empty list.
Empty list.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
I think.
L is equal to 100. Is stuck.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah, actually lost the connection. So now I'm not able to share the screen actually. Just let me call. I'm not co-host, no? Yeah, I lost the connection since, yeah. Kavita, can you mute yourself?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, just give me a second. I'm not able to share the screen because I'm lost the co-host position.
Yes, sir. We are waiting.
Sir, you are muted, sir.
Sir, you are muted.
I think questions are visible on your joinpd.com page, no?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Then try to understand from there what it is happening. I just will be getting the cost position. Will be able to share my screen and explain from there. Okay. Okay. Did I get? No, still I'm. Yeah, guys, I will be back in another 1 minute. Sorry. You guys are here, or everybody is?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We're here, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we are here.
Why Ajay Das is co-host now? Okay, nice. But I am not co-host, but Ajay Das is co-host.
How that is happened, sir?
It makes by
Studio team, they
default.
are one who are doing.
It's okay. You explain. Those who won't understand it, they will write themselves on the paper.
What happened to Zoom also? Like, just cut my connection. I don't know why. Yeah. So from the just let me know. So from the screen, go to join PD. Now I'm host. It's nice. After a struggle of 15. Yeah, my screen is visual, guys.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Okay. So where I was,
Yes, sir.
I was trying to, yeah. So we had L is equal to 1 when we had I is equal to 1. I was talking about AL's part will be not executed, but because this condition is becoming true. So once it is true, you will go execute this part and you will not going to read the else part of the. You will directly, once you coming here, you will, sorry, flag, you will make it false. Okay? Then as you make it flag false, you will directly come here. I is equal to I plus 1. Everybody agree on this? Yes. As you read this part, you will
Yes,
come
sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you are, what is the value of I you are having now? 2.
2, sir.
Correct?
Yes,
2.
sir.
So I is equal to, now we are having 2. And this is actually for I is equal to 1. Okay. So I is equal to 2 we are doing. And 2 is less than or equal to 100. It's a true condition. If flag, what is the value of flag you have in previous?
False.
It will not
Is
go inside.
false.
It will
No,
go
sir.
else part.
Yes.
Else part. What you will do? L is equal to L plus. So what you have a L in previous iteration? 1, no?
1 comma.
1.
I. What is the value of
That
I you are
is-
having? 2.
That is main tricky.
2, sir.
2.
It will be
2, sir.
1 comma.
1 comma 2.
1,2.
Agree?
Yes, sir.
What you are doing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Flag is equal to
True.
Flag is equal to true.
true.
True, sir.
Now we are going.
That is the main concept or main
I is-
confusion.
Now is I is equal to 3. Now as I is equal to 3 obviously less than 100. This true condition. You will come here. Flag is now true. It will come here, and what you are going to do? L is equal to
List
We'll
of
add it.
3
We'll add
and
3.
list
going
of
to be
3 plus L.
executed. Yeah. So AI. What is I here? We are having
List of
3
3. Yes.
plus
List of
1,
three.
comma 2 list.
L.
L 1 comma 2.
2.
2.
This will be what?
3 comma
3.
1 comma 2 comma 3. 3
1,
comma 1
2.
comma
2.
2.
Correct, no? And then you are making flag is equal to, sorry, I wrote.
Flag
Little mistakes.
Now flag will be?
false.
False.
Flag will be false. And then again for I is equal to?
I is equal to 4.
4.
You
Flag
are
will
going
be
Four.
and L will be added. So when I will be 4, flag will be false. Flag is false. So this is false. It will come here and it will append in other side. Means this side,
Yeah,
right
sir.
side. So right
Right.
side. So for the even.
3 comma 1 comma 2
So,
comma 4.
okay. So L will be what? Let me write it. It will be L plus. So
L plus
3 comma
4, comma
1
3, comma
2
Plus 4.
4.
Extra 4.
Got it, no?
Yeah.
This will,
Yes, sir.
this will be
So 3, 1, 2,
3,
4.
1, 2, 2, 4.
2, 4.
So can you see what it is happening whenever this I is equal to even number?
Yes,
You are
odd is
Then
in
is
the
a
left
left
side and even is
when
in the
I so let us start with that. When I is odd number, you are appending left side.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
left side.
And whenever,
Yes, sir.
whenever I is even, you are appending right side.
Right
So the
side.
finally, if you see, can you see that 1 3 this side you are appending because 1 is the first smallest odd number, no? Here. So 1, then 3, then this side what it will be having 7 like that, no? Up to 99. Here it will be 2 4 6 8
6 up to
like
98.
like that, no, guys?
100.
200.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
this will be 2 to 100 will be 50 numbers. Up to
50
here,
numbers.
this will be total 50 numbers.
Yes.
No? Guys,
Yeah.
understood?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
tell me.
Sir, please explain I goes to 2 one more time.
Acha, theek hai. When I is equal to 2, 2 is less than equal to 100 is a true or false condition? True condition. If flag. So in flag, in previous citation, what we have done? Flag made it false. Kavita, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in previous citation, what we have done? We have made it flag as a false.
Flag false.
So if flag is false, this condition is not going to execute it. Where it will go? Else part, no?
Else part. Okay.
Else part. In else part, what we are doing? L is equal to L
L
plus I. So L is this guy, no? L plus 2, which is I is 2, no? So
yes, sir.
I comma 2. And then we made it flag true. So as you enter,
Okay.
you are changing the value of flag, hai na? In both cases.
Yes, sir.
So for true, it is going here and you are making it false. And for
False. For
condition,
false. Else
going here and
condition.
you're making flag as a true. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. So finally, you will have this value. So I'm telling from 99 to 1, it will be total 50 numbers. And from 2 to 100, it will be total 50 numbers. Because total
50
is 100,
numbers.
no?
Yes,
I
sir.
missed
This
this
makes sense?
silly point here.
I got answer early and after that overthinking.
Okay. So now so what it is doing here? Now L is there. L is you have got the value of L. This is the there. Lj is equal to 0. Answer is equal to 0 for each x in L. So what is the value of x initially you will have as you
0.
go first time?
99.
99.
X
99.
X will be 99, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys.
Yes,
So
sir.
x will be 99, no?
Yes, sir.
For each. So 99 is less than 50.
No, no,
False.
sir.
No, sir.
False.
Else
Where
part
it will
will
go? It will come
Else.
here.
Else part.
Else part will come and answer will be ANS.
99.
Answer will be answer
99.
0
0
plus
plus
99.
0 plus 99.
99.
0 plus
Yeah.
99.
99, na?
Yes,
na?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are making j is equal to
2.
2.
True.
And then x is so j started with what? 0.
0.
Sorry.
You remember?
1.
So
No,
now so up to what value j will go, this part will be executed.
J
Up to?
will be 40.
up to
Sir, how answer
49.
became 99?
Up
yeah,
Can you
50.
explain again?
49, sir.
So up to sorry.
To 49.
Up to
Sir, how answer became
Sir,
99?
x is
Can you
minus
explain
99.
again?
So answer is equal to answer plus x. Answer, what is the
No.
value of answer you have initialized?
If condition is true, na, sir. When j equals to 0, that is greater than.
Chalo, theek hai. So,
Whole condition.
Sir,
yeah, हाँ.
If condition is
how
true.
answer became
when-
99? Can you explain again?
Yes, please. Yeah, just give me a second. So
I think minus 99.
yeah,
No, it will be in else part. So plus
see,
90.
just a minute. Give me a 1 minute. No. Okay. So you have defined j is equal to 0. Answer is equal to 0. That part is clear, no? For each x in L. So what is the value of x as you enter first time? X is equal to 99. That you understand?
99.
99 is less than equal to 50. Less than 50. Is
No,
it true or
sir.
false?
Sir,
No,
J.
no, sir.
Actually, it
It
is
will
J,
go.
sir.
J.
Oh, sorry,
Second is the
sorry,
lie
sorry,
is
sorry,
zero.
That
sorry.
is yes, sir.
Zero
That is
is
not
the-
a
Let
X.
him,
okay.
let him speak.
Yes.
Sorry,
He
sorry, sorry.
doesn't,
Yeah,
let
that
him.
was
Yeah.
Let
it.
him.
I'm
J.
sorry. Yeah. So G, actually J we are checking. Na? Sorry, I'm not checking X.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes.
Sorry. So
Yes,
J,
sir. That's why that is.
yeah. So J is initially 0. 0 is less than 50. So true condition?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
True
Yes, sir.
condition. So answer will be
till
Yes, sir.
50 numbers. It will.
Minus 99.
Minus 99.
minus
90.
99.
Yes.
Nice, no? So it will
Yes,
be
yes, sir.
it will be minus 99. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
And so it will be go inside for how many values? J. Up to J 49.
50,
No?
50 values.
So up to J will be up for how many times?
49.
This will be
49.
condition is true.
49.
Yeah.
Okay, just
49.
49.
just I refresh one thing. So for what up to what values this condition is becoming true? 49.
49.
49.
49.
From where we have started?
0.
So 0 to 49. So total 50 values will
50
be
values.
from
Yes.
50 value.
So
Yeah.
and that will be added as a minus, like that.
Okay. Yes, sir.
0
Yeah.
minus 99 minus 97 up to minus 1, no? Up to here.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
once it is becoming 50, so 50 is less than 50, it's a false condition. It will come here and it will
False.
keep
Yes,
adding,
sir.
keep adding. So plus means 2, 4, means up to here, it will be going here. And from after that, once J is becoming 50, it will be coming here. Correct, no?
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
but I felt like first 50 numbers adding means n into n plus 1 by 2. That's why I delete the
So
answer.
now see, if you keep adding, obviously, if you do in the other way, it will be very simple. I have just rearranged the expression. What I have done, 100 minus 99, 98 minus 99. That I have arranged. So it will be how many times? One will be 50 times. No, 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 50 answer.
Trick, sir. Yeah.
Sorry.
We got the list, but unable to do this part.
Yes, sir.
No
Yes, sir.
time to think. I
डर
guess.
लग रहा देख के सर, मतलब डर लग रहा था पूरा लिस्ट देख करके.
Very difficult, sir. 1 hour
But
exam
if
with
you
this
arrange
type of
arrange
questions.
something, you will understood. Na? You need not to calculate also.
Yes, sir.
Find the pattern.
Yes, sir. That is good, sir.
Yeah. Chalo then.
Here
Next question.
actually, Deepak, here
Excuse
one
me,
my
sir.
request is, one request from my side actually.
Huh.
See, we almost 90% people got the list, but we are unable to do this. When you come to the question paper, maths, they are creating sub questions, many sub questions. If one question is there, it consists of 6-7 marks. They are creating the sub questions. Not like only one question. So 1, 2, 3 question each gives 2 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks. So at least if we spend 5 or 10 minutes in a question, we'll get at least 2 marks or 4 marks. If you didn't approach to the answer. But what happened in the city, in quiz 1C, you also know, if you approach the answer, you will get the mark. Otherwise, 0, right?
Yeah. So this time we are keeping in.
Yeah, if you look into the matter and if you create sub questions, na?
Yeah.
See, we got the list.
Yes, yes.
In 5.
Yes, sir. It's our request.
Yeah, in Q2 you will get like that, so don't worry about it.
If this question gives 4 marks, at least allot 1 mark for the list. That itself is enough to pass.
Achha.
Yeah, that is also valid.
Yeah. Okay,
Yes,
so this
sir.
part is, no, don't talk other than this one. Okay, so this part is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, still I'm not clear.
Yeah, okay, tell me.
Sir, like J is less than 50. So for the first condition, 99 is entering, right? So first is 99, less than 50, it will check. So, I mean, how it is entering that one? It is not less than 50. So we are not checking the number by value. We are checking them by order.
J,
I mean,
J.
numbers.
J. So J initially you had 0. But
okay.
So not X. That's I had. I was making mistake initially, so I was in hurry. So see, J we are checking. Not we are checking value X. X is the actually value of L.
Okay. Yeah, now I got it, sir. I got the J to be confused with X.
Okay. So everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Chalo. Last question, but I'm giving you 5 minutes for this one. Let us see.
Hello, sir. It's very lengthy.
But
Please
try
give
to,
us 10 minutes, sir.
at least try to find the L.
At least 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, I'm already late. 30 minutes already late. So please do it fast.
Sir, what is after the written 0?
End full. It is end full.
End full, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Last 2 minutes, guys. So last 30 seconds, guys.
Sir, is this the last question?
Yeah.
So can you give us one?
Okay. 1 more minute. Yeah, guys. Do you want more time?
Sir, 2 minutes more.
Yes, yes.
Yes. 2 minutes, sir. 2 minutes.
We are only halfway.
I just joined, sir.
Okay, okay. Another 1 minute I'm giving. Sneha, can you mute yourself?
Sir, that end answer is equal to what? Sir, I cannot see that.
Answer?
Answer
Is
is
equal.
equal to 2.
Yeah, you are just ending that here, like procedure is there, na? End create. So the same thing, end FOO. That is it.
Okay, okay, sir.
Argument is P.
Yeah, guys, time is up. I gave 8 minutes for this one. Yeah, last 10 seconds for entering response. So this is not now hard, little bit lengthy, I can understand, but if you do with like piecement, then you will be able to find the answer. But just go one by one a step. Now in a situation you are that like all the terms are explained. I mean, you are able to execute, but thing is that since you are doing first time, you have to be a little bit more conscious while solving the problem. That's all. Nothing is there. I think no any term is like not understood here. Okay, guys. So I'm just telling you to just enter the response in next 5 seconds, and I'm going to explain this one. So because I'm running out of time, it's already 8:45. It should be finishing. Yeah. So I can see 99, 99, and 90. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay, so how many have got 90?
No, sir.
Others?
Last part.
I can see one has entered 90. Who is the person? Maybe from outside of this Zoom session, I can see 93 people have joined this session. Okay. So how many have got this ale? Ale.
Yes, sir. I got this.
I got
That
it.
L I
Got it,
got,
sir.
got
sir.
it.
Everybody
I
got
got
this
L.
one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
L only L go.
Yes.
Okay. Anybody having problem with L? Everybody got this one?
No, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay. So, sorry. Yeah, Shubhangi, you have some, I think, internet issues there.
Position is matter, sir, in
Yeah,
this
so
question.
Yeah, that's that because
That's
yeah,
why
that will
answer
be
not
better.
comes.
Yeah.
We are getting only L in all questions.
I am expected 0. That's why
Yeah,
answer
so
not
10,
comes.
yeah, so everybody getting the white 10 is at the 11th position because I started with 0. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
And
for
if
up to
I equal to
eyes,
That's why answer not comes, sir.
I equal to 10.
and this will be at 51th position, and this is at the 91th position. Agreed, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm
Yes,
moving to the
sir.
next one.
Yes, sir.
So now you have created L, and you are having L is this one. What we are going, we are checking here. I is equal to 10, J is equal to 0. Sorry, J is equal to 90, EI is equal to 0, EJ is equal to 0, and you have defined these 4 empty lists, and then index is equal to 0 for each x in L. Chalo. So for each x in L, what is the value of x initially? We will have
0.
0. Index is less than I. What is the value of
Index 0.
So 0 is less than
False.
0.
No.
Sorry, I is what? 10. No, sorry,
I
10.
is 10.
So just that's right. Be conscious what I'm saying.
It will
here.
go
So
inside, sir.
I can make mistakes here also. Just be so I is equal to,
Yeah, sir.
index is 0. I is 10.
10, sir.
So 0 is less than 10. It's a true or false condition?
True, sir.
True. What you will do? You will append
Left.
x value in the list list
empty
left list F.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
for how many values you will append? Means I is equal to 10.
10.
9.
10 value from
So up
0
10.
to
9.
9. From
10,
0 to
10. I mean,
All the
10th position.
Till 9.
10th position. All the zeros will
okay, just a minute. So while up to
0 till
9,
9, 10.
just give me a second. Up to value of 9, you will append this one. But since index has started from 0, so total
0.
it will 10. So
10.
total left will have how many elements? 10.
10, sir.
Everybody agree? Everybody?
Yes,
Yeah,
everyone?
sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now, so left you have understand now, because obviously if this condition is true, none of the condition is going to be true. No.
Yes, sir. Only that will work.
Yeah.
Till 10.
Okay. So as you have I is equal to 10 now.
Yes.
Sorry. Index is equal to 10 because you are incrementing index. Okay. So index as become 10. Obviously, this
and
condition
I
is
also
becoming
10.
this becoming is false. You have calculated left.
Yeah.
As you come here,
Index is equal to I.
Yeah, index is equal to what is the value? 10 is
10.
equal to I. 10.
10.
So what is the value of EI will we
EI
have?
is equal to
Zero.
10.
EI
X.
become
X.
10.
X is what?
Here I have one doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
After first if, why we reach it to last index, in between J conditions also there, right?
Where is J?
Last two if were
But
J
everything
only.
is false, no?
Index is not greater than I.
J is 90
Yeah, everything
here.
is false.
Okay.
J is 90, no? So that's why I was
Okay.
telling, I was just, okay, no? J is 90.
Yes.
Okay, na? Understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you have I is equal to 10, obviously 10 is less than 10 is false condition. It will come
False
here.
condition. It will not go that
10
way.
is equal to 10 here. Index is 10 and I is equal to also 10. So EI will become X.
10.
X is what?
10.
At that time 10, no, because you have read,
Yeah.
you have read all these 10 elements, no. So 11th element you are reading
So we are
actually,
in the 11th
11th.
position.
because we have started with I index is equal to
0.
That is the only
0.
confusion you might have, because we have started index with 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So here you have obviously when index is equal to 10, this is false, only this will be true. This 10 is greater than 10, it's a false condition. So obviously we are not going to look this part, because and operator is there. Index is 10 is equal to j is what, 90, is false. 10 is greater than 90, obviously this is false. Understood now? So now we will have what is value now 11. Okay,
Yes, sir.
plus 1. So up to 50th position.
50.
So when I is equal to, so that is what I have written. That's why the position matters. So from up to here means up to 50th position will be stored in middle. Because understood. So
Yes.
Yes.
just understand what it is happening, because this one, if you are able to understand, then it will be easy. Because see, I is equal index is, when index is becoming what, 50 is greater than 50 is,
No, it's false.
it's false. Now when index is becoming 51,
Yes.
then understand, no? So 51
Yes,
is
sir.
greater than I is what? No, sorry, just
10 now, 11.
No.
Yeah, sir. It's right
No,
only.
it's true. No, so because see, when up to from where? From 11, that is
11. Yeah.
up 11th position you have added here, this guy.
10 we added
Yeah,
in
here
EI.
we have added. It is
Yeah,
asking
this is
for
the
the greater
confusion.
than.
So
So
from 11.
yeah, so when index is becoming 11, so 11 is greater than I is what, 10 is greater
10.
than, and index 10 is less than j. What is the value of j you are saying?
90.
You have. So 11 is less than 90, it's a true condition, no?
Yes.
So first, what is the index is, you have 11. 11 is greater than 10, it's true condition, and 10 is less than 90.
J.
Both are true, so
Yeah.
overall it is true.
Yeah.
Everybody
Yeah.
agree on this?
Yeah.
Yes. If you're
Till
not,
91 it will go like that.
it is true, no? So so middle will be middle plus x.
X, yeah.
ठीक है?
0 till 50.
So it will go up to where? Means if you keep adding, so it will start from here.
Just before 90.
So just before 90. So if index is becoming
50.
what? Sorry? Not what are you saying? 50, not 50. It will be like
No, less than
90
J
is
also
there,
is
no?
there.
Yes, one
Yeah.
number before 90.
Yeah, when it
Yes.
is becoming 90, 90 is, say, when index is 90, 90 is greater than I. So I is what, 10, no? 90 is greater than 10 is true, but 90 is less than 90 is false condition. No, at that time it will not go here. So it will go up to 89, no? Index number, it
Yes,
will
sir.
go to 89, but actual
Yes, sir.
number will be what? From a total number will be at 100, no? Sorry, 90, no? Because we have started with 0. So first 10 will go to the left, remaining up to here, up to this one, which is actually what position? If you see here, so this will be up to here, it will go. So total 90. So from here, from here, but 12 to 90 position, it will be going inside this guy, middle guy. Okay, it's hard to understand. I can understand.
Yeah, this.
Yes, yes.
But if you can.
No, this all somehow I managed.
If you remember this one, then you will be understanding. So see, if this condition up to where it will be false,
It will go, yeah.
and from where it will start. So obviously it will start from 11. So 11 is there. So 11 is this guy, no?
Yes.
11th position.
Yeah.
11, sorry, I is
11th
index is
position.
11, but actually
11th is
10.
ten.
I am telling 11 here means index value, but actually
12.
position is 12, no?
12th.
Because we have started with the
Okay,
I
yes,
is equal to where is that? Index is equal to 0. So that is
0.
actually not confusion. Okay.
0.
It starts with 12th.
Yeah, it will start with the 12th and up to where it will end.
Till 90th.
89 value.
90th.
So it will
90th
go up to 90th position.
90th
Understand?
position, just
90th
before 90.
Because index is started with the zero.
Zero.
Actually,
Yes.
understand? So it is
You
a
are
starting.
still 90th
90 is a starting with
position.
the 91. So it will come here. So before that last one is what? Zero, no? So zero is actually here is the 90th position, no? 90 position. Understand? So,
Yes.
so this middle will be containing that part. When it is becoming index is equal to 90. So that is talking about which position? 90 what position? Where is, sorry. Where was that? Yeah, I'm talking about the 91st position now. If you talk about the position, I'm talking about the 91st. But if you are talking about the index, it will be 90, no?
Yeah.
Yes.
So when
Yes.
index is
Becoming false.
so index is 90, 90 is less than 90.
It's
So this is
false.
false, no? But this
Yeah.
was true actually. 90 is greater than 10. This was true, but this is false, so it will not.
407051.
Not executed.
So
Yeah,
index
it
is
will
90 and j is 90. So EJ
407051.
will be 90. When index is becoming 90, EJ will be X, which is at 90. No.
Yes, sir.
And whenever the greater than 90, which is 91, will be coming in right, will be all this one.
all
So this part, all the calculation left, EI, middle, EJ, right will be coming from this one. How many have got this part? If this part people have got.
No,
Yeah,
sir.
till that I got,
I-
sir.
So only
After
the
that
I am,
addition,
sir,
I didn't
This is
exploring
very
zero, sir.
confusing, sir.
I got heavily confused here, sir.
Yeah, so only
I was
This
exploring
list
zero,
is
sir. That's
lengthy
why
now.
answer not scoring.
I
Because,
thought list adding or
just
I couldn't
minute,
add the numbers.
just minute, guys.
We
Because
took
we
a
have
long
started.
time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because we have started with the index zero. That's why there is a confusion. If we have started with the one, there will be no confusion. Understood? So you should
Actually, this question needs at least 15 minutes.
Yeah, I understand that one. But now you have no any confusion because lack of time you are not able to
Yeah.
calculate this part. Okay.
No, if the list is small, na, having 10 or 20 numbers, then it's easy to do it. Lengthy,
Actually,
na.
list is a small only. But see, for how many
is small.
digit I have used to write this
What
one.
is
So
little?
just to understand
Yeah,
which
list is
position it
okay,
matters.
sir.
No?
The code is little confusing, so you have to read it thoroughly.
Initialization only the problem, sir.
Yes. Okay. So if you put some more time, it will be calculated. You are not not knowing all. You are knowing all these expressions, how it will be
Exactly,
executed.
yeah.
That everybody agreed, no?
Yes. Sir.
Okay. So once you go that one, you have this all values. This guy, left EJ, middle EJ, right. Now you will come
Yes.
to this part.
P.
Where is this? You are calling left plus EJ plus middle plus
you're adding everything.
EI plus right. So left is what?
0, 0, 0.
Left is zero.
EJ you have added.
10.
90 you have added.
10.
After 10 you are putting 90. Then middle for EJ.
And 90
right.
and 0, 0.
Understood, no? So if P will look like this.
AJ is 9.
So it will be 10 0 here, no? Okay. Now you have called function or procedure FOO. So if you are calling now, whatever the value in P, it will be copied to L. So this is parameter, this is argument. So L will be P. No. Now you are executing for each and every element X. So X is equal to here 0 first element. So not so initial value. What is the value of X you are having?
0.
0. So X is equal to 0. It's a true condition or false condition? This part.
False.
False.
X is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0 is a true, na?
But
not true.
Not true.
Will be overall it will be false. But this
False,
condition
yeah.
That is correct. Overall, it is false.
Yeah. So overall false. Will it go inside? No, na.
No.
It will come. It will go for all. Once you reach this 190, when X is equal to 90, so X
Then
is
it
equal to
becomes true.
90 is equal to 0. So please mute, no guys.
True.
So 90 is equal to 0. It's a true or false?
It's false, but not. It is
That is false.
No,
Overall true.
Yeah. So
If
90
is
is equal to 0 is a false actually, but not false
If
will be
is
true.
Yeah.
It will come inside and it will return X. So what is the value you are having X currently? 90. No?
90.
So it will return 90 and that will be stored to Answer. So I have asked the value of answer. That is the 90. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, but
Yeah, just
Yes, sir.
yeah, I understand this was the little lengthy code, but since you have time, you can practice these things. This
Sir,
type of
the last one will come in the answer.
yeah, answer will be
hello,
last.
sir.
Actually.
Sir, but
Can you
for
please
each,
explain this return 0, what it means? Like,
No, so if none of the condition for you have read all the elements.
okay.
All the elements.
Okay, then this
Yeah,
condition
and
will
this
exist.
condition is never executed.
Okay,
So
right.
you will come out this one and it will return 0.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Yeah. Why is me echo? Okay. So I think I took more than 3 hours, man, because of I got lost also connection in between. Then I had to explain the basic things first, last in it. So please, guys, whenever you are coming to that solve with instructor session, please revise a little bit, at least, so that you will be engaged to
Oh,
the
sir,
session.
we revise and came.
We revise, sir.
Okay,
Morning
some
till
No, I
evening,
Yeah.
I concentrate on CT only, sir.
Only GA is pending, rest everything done.
Yeah,
but I
rest
couldn't.
everything done, sir. Even for me.
Okay, so this one I will share with you guys, and I'm going to just no, I need to write. So V5.
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, as I have got all the answers wrong for all the questions, so is there any particular marks for these questions?
No, so if answer say for this question, we have like if we are asking part wise, obviously we'll get some marks because we do not have manual checking. No, it is all like either true Boolean values, no, true or false. So finally, we are checking the answer. But obviously, I understand that if you have spent that much time and if you are able to solve the half of the problem, obviously you should get some marks, and that marks.
Is this YouTube session ended now?
Yeah. This session is ended. Yeah.
YouTube streaming ended?
Yeah, no, it is still there.
Okay.
Okay, just let me.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, please. So session is over here. Anybody having doubt, I can give next 5 minutes. Actually, I have to go. Yeah. So other than that, just let me close this CTC. Yeah.
Just what you have opened, it's on the screen. That also I couldn't understand this.
Sir, that
Now we will now we will understand. I think now we have to execute slowly. Means just how to execute. You have. I think you were able to do how it was executing. Just try to execute one by one. Na? So we have to.
Like actually here one option is correct, but I'm getting 2 options.
Okay. So,
okay, I will try again tomorrow. Tomorrow anyway you are taking session, na?
Yeah, tomorrow will be not there, but Omkar will be there. Okay.
Okay, anyone.
Not Rahul, sir.
We'll try and.
Sorry.
Tomorrow is an additional session, or
yeah. Tomorrow is like a Gmeet session, on demand session. It will be 2 p.m. I think around 2 p.m. No.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Actually, is it possible to conduct this Gmeet session little later or little earlier? We have 4 o'clock maths.
So I'm telling 2 o'clock, no, 2 p.m. I think 2 p.m. is session, no, guys.
2 p.m. Yes.
Yeah.
Will it be sufficient?
We'll get 2 hours.
So
yeah, 2 hours will be sufficient.
Yeah, you come early and ask your doubt. No, that is there. No,
yes.
that
You can join early, sir.
Yeah, 2 o'clock. No, 2 p.m. it will start. It 2 obviously if people will be there, it will go. But if people, I think mostly 30 to 40 people I'm getting.
Last time people were joining after 2 hours, 3 hours also at the end of the session joining.
Yeah, I think I took on some session on Monday, some day. So
yeah,
it was
4 or 5 hours, I think.
Yes. Okay.
So is this solved with instructor session? Is a graded one or is?
No, this is not graded one. Just we guys are solving together. Means you guys are solving with me. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah. So this one, what you have to do, you have to just.
Yeah, I will try. And
okay.
Don't. I will ask tomorrow.
So. Yeah, that will be good. I think if you solve one more time, 5.7 question number 4. I think.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, sir.
Who's Dipti?
Yeah.
So I'm giving you one example, and you will solve by yourself. So you have to find I am going to mess. Just and this is a sentence, and you have to find the value of VV, VC, CV, and CC. Okay? Can you? And then so length you will come to know the PQRS, and then you have to check how many words are in this sentence and how many if you add PQRS, how many number is coming. Is it coming less than 1, greater than? Then you will understand what is the happening here.
Sir.
What is happening here?
Okay, sir. I will do.
Okay. Everybody try to do actually. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Chalo, then. Because it's an easy one, but if you get by yourself, it will be more happy. It's nothing.
Yeah. I'll try to.
Okay, then guys, we'll meet tomorrow. Those who have wanted to attend session, on-demand session, it will be, I think, from 2 o'clock. Just let me check, guys. You guys get notification, no? Through what is that?
Yes, got
Telegram.
it in Telegram.
Yes, sir.
2 o'clock only.
Telegram.
2 to 3.
Just yeah.
Yeah, it's 2 p.m. 2 to 3 p.m.
Yeah, it's Omkar will take, no? Yeah.
Yes, Omkar.
Yeah, 2 to 3 will be session. Obviously, it will go more than 3. Depends on the participants. Participants are there. He will answer all your doubts. So please be on the session if you are any doubt. Now we will have a little bit clear picture, I think.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay. Okay,
Thank
then
you,
guys, thank you for joining.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.